Yo, uh, quit. What's good, y'all? Yo. What's good? What's good, y'all? I was actually cooking. Sorry for the delay. Let me see. I apologize for you looking like a fool. I'm not on a drive. No. I don't want my ex. I don't want to. What's good? What's good? What's good, my brothers? Let me have a look at this. Yo, Shetty was good. Nextjs was good. How you doing, broski? Man, I just turned on the stream right now. I was cooking. Yeah, I was cooking. Yeah, I was cooking, bro. Let me see. Oh God. I don't want my ex. I don't want to be heard. Okay. We live on YouTube. Going good, man. Okay. Let's have a look. Damn. Yo, boys, y'all go ahead. Y'all go ahead and tap this stuff, man. You know what I'm saying? Like the live, do all the due diligence, man. Y'all boys do what y'all gotta do, bro. I'll put this here. Alright, we are finalizing the price. I think from the title for the hostage. That's a wild title, right? Hold on. Alright, okay, let me put this like this. Okay, so we are finalizing the project finally. I think you guys are tired of seeing the FilthiBlog thing. You know, we gotta keep trying something new, right? So we are building this FilthiBlog. I think this is the last day for it. I don't want to spend like forever doing this project because it's the main purpose of this project is to teach me Spring Boot. I already know most of the front end, so I want it to be mainly back end focused, right? But I just wanted to create a little front end that can go along with our application. So that's the main purpose of the entire thing. And yeah, thank you guys for liking the stream, bro. You feel me? Thank you guys for liking the stream. We're going crazy over here. Okay. Just gonna go ahead and say F full. Alright. So let's see what can we do here. Alright. Make a website for the house, bro. What are you saying? What are you saying? Okay. You see, all those fakes. I don't know. Maybe they're not. Maybe they're not online. Don't worry about them. You get it? We can have a very cool conversation over here, one on one with you, my boy. Don't worry about who's not. It's all good. Yo, Lux was good, bro. How you doing? You top 3, huh? See my back? There's a way whenever I position my arms like this, it hurts my back. I don't know if it's just my posture or it's the table that is not Okay, I don't know. Okay, this is down. I don't think this is okay. This is even gonna make it worse. This is gonna make it worse. So let me figure out how to handle it. Alright, I think being laid back like this is better, right? Being laid back just like this, right? Okay, so let's see how the front end is looking now, and we need to go ahead and just look at Docker, make sure it's running. Unc, is the background building really yours? Nah. I wish, bro. I wish. You know, I wish. The background is not really mine, bro. It's just a filter. It's some AI stuff. I don't know. Okay, what's going on? I need to log in this stuff. Okay. Oh, I hate this, man. I hate when this stuff disturbs me like this. Oh yeah, I needed to accept that. Okay, restart. Fine. Oh my god. Let me just fix this real quick. Oh, what the fuck is going on with this? Alright, I just need to, let me just fix this real quick, boys. One day for sure. I heard you're a millionaire, is that true? Yeah, one day for sure. Tell him, bro. One day we're gonna get there. One day I'm gonna get that. Alright, let's see. Okay, let me just go ahead and open Ghosty. Just give me a sec. But you're a millionaire in our heart. Oh my god, bro. Come on, bro. Thanks, man. Thanks a lot, my brother. Today, I don't know if it's day what. I don't know. I have no idea. I just need to CD. Okay, and okay. Then, oh god, what do I need to do? I think I need to make sure this is open. What the hell? What's going on here? Oh, okay. Let me just fix this real quick. I can read your you're making him blush. What? Come on, man. Stop it. Get some help, okay? Okay, I need to who's Laksh? Do you know? What I think he's not in our Discord. I don't know. I have no idea. Is he in our Discord? Yo, Laksh, are you in our Discord? I doubt if he's in our Discord, bro. Because if he was in our Discord, I would recall him. Now you know me. I'm not. Now you know me. Not that active on Discord. Oh, you need the Discord link? Alright, I'll send you the Discord link in a minute. Just give me a sec, okay? I'm just trying to fix this stuff. Just give me 1 second. I can read your chat, so I can see your chat. So I just want to see this. I want to fix this real quick. Just give it a sec. My brother even asked me for there's some dude called Codewise. He's in France right now, but he's from here. He's from Rwanda. He got a job and he was transferred to France, which is just super amazing, right? Given he just taught himself, bro. Can you guys just fathom that? Like self-teaching yourself. Whoa, wait. That's not correct English, right? Self-teaching yourself. What's that? It's supposed to be teaching yourself. Right? Teaching yourself how to code, and on top of that, you get money out of it. And yeah, that's some crazy stuff, right? I just need to. Oh my goodness. Oh, okay. I just need to get this straight. Alright, I'm just copying that, opening it in the new here. Alright, my boy needs the Discord link. Just give me a sec. Okay, let me go ahead and send you the Discord link. So how was the day, bro? I think right now it's like 9:30 over there, right? It's like 9:30 p.m., bro, which is crazy. Okay, it's like 9:30 over there, if I'm not mistaken. Okay. All right. I think we should be okay. Close this. Close this. Close that. And finally, let me open Discord. Tomorrow's exams, Unc. Whoa, you didn't read, right? You didn't read for exams. You're cooked, man. Hey boys, do you guys like using Twitch, bro? I asked you guys. I'm like, bro, why don't you guys use Twitch? I love Twitch, man. You know, music, YouTube. I saw my heart just did a backflip. Are you always this stunning? Or is it? It was today special. What in the hell is that? Wait, what did I just read? Yo, what's good? What's good? Tiom was good. Welcome to the stream. Rahul, welcome to the stream. Nextjs, welcome to the stream. Aditya, welcome to the stream. Laksh, welcome to the stream. Man, like, y'all are all funny, bro. Hold on. Let me see. Somebody saying something that it sounds sus. What do you mean are you always standing? Like, come on, bro. I'm a real nigga, bro. Yo, what's good? What's good, Tiom? Is it T home? Okay, T home. Where's the Discord link at, my boys? Let me invite to server. Edit, it shouldn't expire, so never. I'm just gonna generate link, copy. Matter of fact, I got my friend here, Root. I'm inviting him. Devil, he's here. We got all these guys that we had on the other Mandeep. Yeah, I'm trying to add all these guys that been on my other server to join this Discord server, right? So yeah. Okay. This is I don't know who this is. Who the hell is called Dead Programmer, bro? Yo, bro, I'm serious, man. How are you serious, bro? You're not serious, because if you were, you wouldn't sound like that. Hey, here's the Discord server link. Go ahead and join the Discord. Go ahead and join the Discord. It's pinned up there. It's pinned up there. If beauty were a crime. Yo, what the? I'm gonna crash out, bro. What the hell are you talking about, bro? Take that shit back, bro. You pissing me off. Take that shit back, bro. God damn. What's that, bro? You too gay to be straight, bro. I'm a straight nigga. Don't say that to a nigga. Take that shit back, bro. You pissing me off. Don't say that. God damn. Don't say that. Don't ever say that, bro. Well, you guys are hilarious. How the hell a nigga's hunting too gay and he's so confident with it? Bro, no, I'm not homophobic though. How can I be homophobic? Y'all boys will make me crash out, bro. You get it? I'm so down with you boys. Like y'all will make me crash out. I swear to God, with the way you guys are sounding, you guys are headed towards pissing me off. Kali, we got Claire, we got Sancho, bro. We got a lot of people in our Discord server that we inviting. Oh man, I'm a human, bro. Why is Discord tripping? Please click on the icon that's different. This is the different one. Alright, I think I'm normal. Alright, I'm okay, fine. So that should do it, man. Okay, man, this is annoying me. Let me show you guys what's happening, okay? Oh my god, Ronnie. Unc, these people just too gay that your house is gonna get scared. For real, bruh. I got me a cute little box. Y'all should not trip. Bruh, you a software update because I can't. Oh my god, bro. What's going on in this goddamn chat, bro? Here's the thing, though. One thing for real. One thing for sure is that I need to check this dude out. Let me see, because he's doing too much, right? Why are you saying some gay shit, bro? Let me see. Who's this guy? This is Rahul. Let me see. Let me check his channel. Does he have a channel? Let me see. You see this dude? He looks like a bot, bro. This nigga looks like a bot, bro. Oh, this guy looks like a bot, bro. Like, what the hell? What's this, bro? You look like a bot. Ah. You guys are stubborn, bro. Let's just get to the coding. Let's get to the recording. Hey, boys. I have an update for y'all, man. Let me take this off. I have a new let me go ahead and remove this. Alright. I have a cool update for you guys. I have something important for you guys. I think I downloaded it. It's called Anti-Gravity. Yes! Anti-Gravity by Google. Filthy loves Raul. Nah, bro. What the hell, bro? Boys, you guys are pissing me off, bro. Stop with all this gay shit. Somebody saying, did you see yesterday's React bug that you can explain to me? I didn't fully understand. My boy is trying to troll me. Bro. I see what you're doing. I'm not gonna give you that. You are a bot, bro. Bring it from Tokyo. Use theme to be imported with settings. I don't know, bruh. This Tokyo thing kind of looks cool. Yeah, we cannot use light mode. I'm just gonna go for either of these two, right? I'm just gonna go for this. I think I like that. Assisted development recommended. Whoa. Agent assisted recommended. What does that mean? How do you want to use the anti-gravity agent? One of the agent-driven development, review development, whatever. Let's just go with the way it is. No more, bro. I'm not gonna use Vim, man. I'm not a nerd like that. I'm just gonna go ahead and say boom. Sign in with Google. Sign in with Google. Let's sign in with Google real quick. Google. I'm also doing web dev prep. Yes, at least you out of that BS. You get it? Now you're with us on the same page. Dumbass nigga. Whoa, installing anti-gravity, my boy. Meaning you will have control over the development. The agent will ask you opinion before taking decisions. That's great. So that's what I want. Say my name. First off, who are you, bro? I don't know you, dog. Why are you saying say my name like that? How do you just jump in the stream and say my name, dog? No, I don't know you, my nigga. I don't know you. Right now, I'm not coding, but there's definitely some. I'm gonna wait. What's this guy's name, bro? Hello. Let me. Here's the thing. Let me show you something, right? I need to take this because this is for evidence. All right. So, because if I crash out, nobody should say shit. If I crash out, nobody should say shit, bro. Because here's the thing. This is the same dude that says some gay shit. What's his name, bro? Ignore this screen, bro. This screen is musty as hell. Let me look at here. Let me go here so I can show you guys properly, right? So there's this dude called Rahul Cheng Chong Hu, whatever this name is. Somebody saying, I swear my heart just did a backflip. You always the fuck? Alright, look at this dude. Save beauty, whatever, whatever. See this, bro. Alright. Let's go down. Look at what this dude is saying. Right now, I'm not coding, but there's definitely some chemistry. Alright, man. Here's the thing, bro. If I crash out, my brother, don't say I didn't warn you, okay? That's for evidence. So I'm gonna come back to this video after the stream, and I'll hunt you down. You get it? Because fun fact though, you guys don't know that I'm a good cyber security guy. So I can hunt you down until your last IP address. I can find you and I'll troll you, bro. You feel me? I'll troll the shit out of you, man. I'll troll the shit out of you. Hold on. Just give me a sec. My boy says some gay shit, bro. You guys are pissing me off. Okay, fine. Did I change this back? Oh, I think I did, right? Alright. Okay, boys, let's get to what we're doing today, right? What are we really doing today? We're using anti-gravity. So, VS Code, I'm sorry, bro, you gotta go. Shut the fuck up. Now we're gonna be using anti-gravity. I'll put this keep in dark, and I'm just gonna put it close to my favorite editor, IntelliJ. Let's get it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and say open folder. We have FilthiBlog client. Yes, bro, you're a dark theme ID because I swear I feel safest and most focused when I look at you. Where are the mods, bro? Where are the mods, bro? We gotta do something about this, because this dude is like, bro, relax with this shit, alright? I want to have a fresh mind today, okay? I don't want to crash out, my boy. You seem like a great person, alright? So yeah, don't pull the trigger, dog. You're gonna piss me off, okay? Oh my god, I'm gonna be using AI, bro. AI is not gonna make me dumb. I'm not dumb. I'm not dumb at all. Let's see what's going on. Oh, bundle. Can we try to explore anti-gravity? Wait a minute. Let's look at, okay, this is source control. But wait a minute, if we logged in with Google, how are we going to use GitHub? I have no idea. Can we try to, oh, it's already by default connected to our Git. Oh, that's cool. Yo, this is actually cool. AI makes a person dependent. Maybe, I don't know. I don't know that, my boy. Gemini Pro 3, bro. Gemini 3 Pro. This is high, this is low. Cloud Sonnet. I don't know. I'm just gonna keep it at low, bro. I don't wanna blow through everything, but yeah. Let's see how it goes though. What's the meaning of high and low? The skill issues? Who's having skill issues? You? Cause not me, my G. Oh, we have, okay, let's go and load our backend now. Finally, bro, our backend is coming to life. FilthiBlog, let's get it. So today we are finalizing this entire application, and let's have a look at our roadmap. Our roadmap. We make sure we are up to par with our roadmap. All right, this should do it. Abhinav, yo, what's good, Abhinav? What's good, my twin? How are you doing, my brother? All right, let's go ahead and see what's going on. So this is our project. We have no, not this OP thing. So currently we are building this, and I think the next thing we're gonna go for is this. But here's the kicker, though. I want us to build this with microservices. microservices, right? Microservice architecture, or we shall use event driven with Kafka as well, with our Kafka as our message queue. So we're gonna try to do that. I think your PC is full of AI apps. Not really. Not really, bro. I don't use AI as much as you making it sound. So, oh god, put it off. Okay. So here, let's see. Docker PS, good. We have that running. Can you share the repo here? I don't think the link can be shared there, but I can show you the GitHub name, I guess. Oh, I think I can share the repo. I don't know. I'm not sure. Let me just click it and see. Oh my goodness. Let's open Filthy profile. All right. Yo, so today we have to make a contribution. I'm trying to keep like this entire year, but I'm planning the code for the entire year, every single day, dog. I'm so annoyed, bro. Anyways, I don't know if I'll achieve that, but it will be great. It will be great. So let's go to repository. Which one do you need, the backend or the front end? Because here's the backend and then this is the front end. These two. Can you solve this and show your subs? You must be built in React because every time re-renders. Can you solve this and show your subs any of your skills? Guru. Yeah, this is the one, FilthiBlog. I don't know what this dude is trying to say though, because I don't know what he's trying to mean, like for sure. Alright, this is okay. This is all we have. So this is a front end. I mean this is the back end. So I can just go ahead and send you the back end if that's what you want. I could send both of them actually. That is the first link, and the other one is going to be for the front end. But you can always check it there on my stuff, right? Let's go to the client, and let's go ahead and grab this. Now I'll show you guys the kind of complications that we did yesterday. We did a lot of work yesterday. All right, so what are we gonna do today? Today I'm planning to host the front end. I want us to host the front end on Vercel. I want us to host the front end on Vercel. Is that okay with y'all? Can we open Vercel for a second? Let's try to host the front end real quick. And for the back end, I don't know. How you, I have an exam tomorrow. Yeah, thanks, man. Thanks. Chrome. So, yo, my boy, SVTH. No wonder you haven't been on stream, bro. That's crazy. No worries, no worries. Given a list of integers, return a new list that contains only the even numbers. Come on, bro. That's way too easy, bro. Should we install a Chrome extension to get Vercel toolbar on your production site? Nah. Nah, that's way too much work for us, bro. I don't want to do anything there. Let's just try to add another project. Let's add another project. This is going to be our FilthiBlog client. Let's just import it. And yeah. First of all, we're not going to deploy it right now because we have a lot of flaws. I want us to fix the flaws first. I still like and happen at least once. Yeah, that no problem. Which one is SVTH? That's my boy. That's my brother, man. Can you see the React.js bug, please, as you're using it? Your backend is perfect. Thank you. Yeah, for sure. Of course, man. I'm a backend guy. I'm a backend developer. Obviously, the code will be clean and elegant and demure and dope and cool and all that. Any word you call it. Let's go ahead and add this. All right, so we're running the backend. But our front end has a lot of problems, right? If you think about it, let's see. Okay. Okay. All right. So this is a new user created. That's great. Let's go back here and try to refresh this to get all the posts. We don't have any posts. All the best. Oh, thank you, my brother. Thanks a lot, man. Like for sure, you're one of the realest people, bro. I can't even lie to you. You get it? That's my dog. Yo, go and do your best, man. Not code backing. I mean your back. Here's the thing, my brother. This is your last warning, okay? Next thing we're gonna put you on timeout if you be wilding like that. Alright? Don't. It's not funny, bro. Don't. I'm not gay. I'm a straight boy. Don't say that. You're gonna piss me off. Alright? Don't think I'm sweet, bro. I'm not. I'm not. Don't be on no weird shit, bro. Gonna piss me the fuck off. Alright, let's get on the front end and see what's going on. Can you send me your Notion presentation link? I will in a sec. Just give me a sec. Alright, now here's the thing. We have our, if you can see here, we have our URLs. Everything is now public. I just want to go and make it a little bit secure by adding .env file, and we can just store this base URL everywhere. Now, I mean, this is going to be the next base for the public URL thing. Next public API URL. Then we can grab localhost 8080. And what else? Let's look at where we are calling this. Okay, /API/posts, and then all right. I think it's okay. It's okay. Let's just grab this entire code and leave it just like this, right? Is it supposed to be like this, or maybe in a string? I think localhost 3000. Should we leave it like this though? Also use anti-gravity. I just literally installed it today. If you're going to learn a new language, how would you approach that? Exactly. I'll show you. Okay. I'll show you in a sec. Just give me a second. Okay. So we have this, the base URL. Is it okay for us to store it like this? I kind of forgot the front end. I think it's cool, right? All right. The next thing we're gonna go and do is go inside the login. Open the login form. Let's see. We also have another issue just here. Here we are just hard coding this here, but let's do the same thing. Just get this entire thing, copy, and wow, the autocomplete is clean, bro. I liked it. I like it. I swear to God, this autocomplete was just super cool, dog. Okay. See the way the AI is doing it. No double this needed. Okay, fine. Look at this, bro. We have this base URL thing. We can just go ahead and remove this, right? Right, that's cool. We're just gonna go ahead and nah. AI is stressing me now, bro, because I hate this. I hate dealing with this. Oh, but that was insane, bro. Oh my god, that's cool. I think we can use that AI to just fix these things real quick. That was super cool. So this is gonna be API/auth/login. But is it okay to expose our structure like this? I'm going to ask this AI. Let me see if it's going to try to attempt everything. Okay, so throughout my entire code base, the code base, I have a lot of security flaws. That is, most of the API endpoints hard coded. Can you make sure they are securely stored? By the way, this is almost like a review of anti-gravity. We got it, right? Almost like the review of anti-gravity. Are securely stored within you can make sure they're securely stored within the .env file. .env file and not getting pushed to GitHub repo. Alright, let's see. I'm just making it a vague prompt, and it's going to go throughout my entire code base, and let's see the changes that it will make. If there's any issue, we can always revert because our code is already pushed to GitHub. So it's working. Let's see how it's gonna go. And yeah, planning. What is it planning? Can we check out this plan? Okay. Conversation mode. Agent can. Okay, no problem. It's okay. Okay. So let's see what are the thought process. I'm currently scanning the code base for hard-coded API URLs. My focus is on identifying every instance and preparing to move them into the .env file. Once the scan is complete, I'll update the .env file to securely store the URLs and prevent them from being accidentally committed. Okay, that is cool. I think that's what we want, right? All right, so, bro, this looks cool, by the way. Anki will give us job when we graduate, obviously. By the time we graduate, I'll be a CEO, okay? I'll be a big CEO. I'm going to hire all of you guys. Y'all prepare your resumes. Matter of fact, y'all don't even need resumes. Just put your name and send me a letter. I'm gonna send me an email direct. I'm gonna hire you. I've begun by identifying a framework which looks like Nextjs, confirming user's package JSON. Next, oh my god, I like this. Open agent manager at the navbar. Wait, where's the goddamn navbar? You mean right here? Open agent manager at the navbar. No. You want it to just like do things by itself? No. That's not what I'm trying to do. I want to code along with it. Exploring code base to identify hard-coded endpoints. Okay, it has done that. Examining files with potential hard-coded URLs. Okay, we're going crazy. Let's see. So okay, I've moved on to examining other components. I've found hard-coded URLs in both components sign up and dashboard create posts. Yep, which is cool. That's what we want actually. Checking remaining files for hard-coded URLs. So here's the thing. So far, my experience with this anti-gravity, it looks like VS Code. So I think it's a fork of VS Code, if I'm not mistaken, right? Because it kind of looks like Cursor. VS Code is almost like if VS Code and Cursor, not VS Code and Cursor. I think VS Code and Cursor had a kid, and then boom, we have anti-gravity, but the name is just weird. What the hell is anti-gravity? Okay, so proceeded with the plan. Auto proceeded by the agent. Okay, this is the agent thing, right? I want the agent to decide actually. It's all good. Let's see. I've created an implementation plan to secure your endpoint. Please review it. Okay, let's look at the plan. My boys. So here's the here's the dot comment on artifacts. Let select content within artifacts to leave a comment for the agent. Dismiss. All right, my boys. Let's look at the plan generator, right? So securing API endpoints. The goal description. The goal is to remove the hard-coded API endpoints, specifically HTTP localhost 8080 from the code base, and replace them with the environment variables next public API URL. This ensures that the API URLs are not committed to version control and can be easily configured for different environments. That's cool. User review required. Important. I'll be appending this to that. Okay, that's okay. I think that's what we needed, right? All right. The next thing is gonna do the appending is fine. It's also modifying the sign up form, and it's replacing this with that and concept PI base URL constant for better readability. Okay, that makes sense. Ensuring consistent usage. Already uses it, but good to verify. That's great. Okay, the same thing in the dashboard as well when we're trying to create a post, and also we are removing the fallback because obviously we don't want to hard code anything. Verification plan, automated task, not available for specific. I think it's okay, man. I love this AI, dog. God damn it, yo. I'm not gonna accept anything right now. I just wanted to make sure it finishes so I can just accept all. But let's just accept. It's okay. Let's just accept all the changes. Now, all it did was just create a new. Where's the variable? Where did it create? Okay, within here, const response is equals to fetch process dot this, and let's look at. I don't know. What's this? Wait, where is he getting this process.env? Oh, directly from here. Okay, fine. Yo, bro, what's going on? How are you? I'm good. I'm cool, man. I'm G. How you doing, bro? Verify the changes and creating. I think we're done. Oh my god, bro! I'm super excited for this AI, bro. I feel like this. Okay, I'm going to accept all. Let's remove this sound. I don't want to. Okay. So right now, this is a walkthrough. It has configured everything. That's fine. Now let's go back to our code to make sure it's still running. Let's send this. Yeah, it's still running, but we don't have any post. That means our backend is not yet running. Oh, our backend is running, right? Our backend is running, but we don't have any post created. So let's go ahead and try to log in or try to create a post. Now it will check, do we have okay, let me check let's check our local host. Okay, yeah, we have this logged in user, so that's great. That means we can go ahead and create. Let's say coding daily. Let's say coding now. Let's publish this. Failed to execute JSON on response, expected JSON input. What happened? What happened? What really happened? Why did it fail like that? Oh, JWT, the current. Okay. Let's look at the logged in user. I don't think it's the admin, right? We gotta sign up. Let me go to sign in. Then we can try to sign in as the admin. Is it safe to have the auth token in the local storage like that? It is. It's almost like cookies, right? According to the expiration date, we put the expiration time as 24 hours, but we can always reduce it. It's almost like cookies. It's safe to have it there. As long as it's a JWT token, there's nobody that can, can, how do I call it, can decode it unless you use the same algorithm that you used, right? So that is cool. Okay, coding also. Now let's try to say, okay, publish, because we are the admin, but for some reason the publish posts are not going to go to public straight. We have to go to the drafts. They'll all be under drafts, and then we can select it and publish it. All right, now we can go and boom, we have that. So we're going crazy. Bro, may you create some video about learning coding or about your journey? I think many people are interested in self-taught, bro. Yeah, for sure. I'll make that video, bro. But you guys seem to love live streams more than videos, so I'm just working with how you guys are rolling. But depending on what you're saying, I'll probably make a video about it. Let's do this coding 2, and then I'll just put this as coding 2, and let's go ahead and publish. And here we just need to go to drafts. I know I need to polish this more, right? But we want to work, we want to go to another thing. I will, bro. Just give me a sec. We want to go to another application real quick. Okay, so we have 2. Everything seems to work very well. We have this. This was 1 minute ago, so it will go down and the latest one will be on top. Okay, that's cool. Let's say coding 3. Coding 3, and then we say coding 3. Let's go ahead and publish it. Okay, that should work, and we can just say coding 4. Also here coding 4, and we publish. Now there are 5, right? So I think pagination is not yet kicking in until when they reach like 5 or something, or 6. Let's see. Drafts. Now we can select all the 3 drafts. all the 2 drafts and select them, publish them. We go here, you see we have 1, 2, 3, 4. I think there are 5, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Are there 4? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, there are 4. There are 4. All right, let's create coding 5. Coding 5, and then we just change this to 6. I want to try the pagination thing if it's still okay. All right, that is fine. You can go to drafts. All right, select these 2, publish, and go here. Then we have pagination. Casa is still way ahead, but anti-gravity is just Casa beta version. I don't believe that. I don't believe that. I don't believe anti-gravity is a better version of Casa. Come on, bro. You're just hating, you know. You guys love to hate on technology that's made by Google. Google is a $1 trillion company. There's no way they can release a trash product, bro. Come on. Let's just start from there. The entire team of Casa, they cannot even be a half of Google, bro. They cannot even, not even that. They can't even make up 0.0% of what Google can put out. So let them not yap, bro. Okay. I think the front end is fairly good. So right now, let's say, do you think my entire code base is fine to now publicly hosted or hosted and deploy and hosted or whatever, or needs some polishing? Let's see. Even Casa was a fork of VS Code. Yeah, all of them are forking VS Code. Okay, my boy said he needed the presentation thing. Okay, let me send you that link real quick. Let me do it real quick. You want to steal my style of learning? All right, let me go to this and share. I don't want to give you full access, bro, because I don't want you to go ahead and okay, can comment. I just don't want to give you full access. Are you sure you want to downgrade your access? No. Oh Jesus. General access, only people are invited. Okay, I'm just gonna copy this. And try to share it with you, my brother. So let me go here. Oh God. Bro, coding with AI gotta be one of the most cracked thing to do. Especially when you know how to code. Bro, come on, bro. Yeah, but Casa is just not good giving environments they may have more than type data. Wait, what do you mean? First try to make elaborate. What next did we want to do just a second ago? Okay, YouTube. Alright, let's get it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and send you this. That's the Notion link, okay? That's the Notion link, my brother. Does anti-gravity have trials? No, it's unlimited. It's unlimited. Let me show you guys. It's unlimited, bro, which is crazy, right? What? What the hell? What the hell, Leonte? What the hell, Leon? Yeah, let me go to download. Download. So as you can see, look at Apple Silicon one. Why is it downloading it straight, bro? Oh my goodness, that's not what I wanted. Okay, I think it's in the pricing. You can see in the pricing, right? We have unlimited tab completions, unlimited command requests, generous rate limits, and you get access to Gemini Pro, 3 Pro. You get access to Cloud Sonnet. You get access to Opus 4.5. You get access to no, it's limited. You just get like default API. No, it's not limited, bruh. It's unlimited tab completions, unless you're meaning something else. So let's see. Deployment readiness needs polishing. Your code base is a functional state, but can be deployed. But there's a few areas. One critical that should be addressed for professional, secure public release. Clean code, no linting errors or console log statements left in the code. Configuration: API endpoints are now securely managed via environment variables. User experience: loading states and error handling tasks are implemented in forms. Tech stack: modern, Nextjs, whatever. Critical security warning: token storage. You are currently storing all in the local storage. This leaves your users vulnerable to cross-site scripting attack, which is if a malicious script runs on your site, it can steal the token and hijack users' accounts. Recommendation: ideally store tokens in HTTP only cookies. This prevents JavaScript from accessing them. So we need to go and change it to cookies. Oh God. Then it's better than Casa. Casa has limited AI suggestions and Talcom. That's what I'm saying, though. It's better than Casa, 1,000%, bro. Y'all should leave Casa alone, but Casa is not even all that. But look how clean this UI is, though. Like let's start from there. Okay. So now recommendation: ideally we need to store this in HTTP only. So this prevents JavaScript from accessing them. And then UX and content gaps, dashboard. This only renders a plain dashboard. These users logging in. Alright, I think this is fine. Now what I'm going to do, right? Let's leave this HTTP only thing, cookies. We are going to convert it shortly. But what I want to do, I want to go to this. I want AI to just turn this into a clickable thing. When we click this, it goes to the specific post with that ID, and then now we can view the entire blog post. Let's say we click this, it should give us what this blog post is all about, right? I think that's all we need to do. And after that, we need to add comments. We have the endpoint for comments already, right? We have the endpoint for comments. I think it's here. Yep, we have the endpoints for comments. We just need to add them. Notion is asking for send access. Yeah, I need to give you access, brother. You cannot just view my stuff. I need to give you access. You feel me? So it will show me here. Where is it? You go and request now. It will show me. Go. Do it now. Okay, see it. It's okay. In the inbox, I can see it. I need to approve. Approve this dude. Approve this dude. Wait, you guys can just view. Do you guys want to view or you guys want to edit it? So if you guys just want to view, then it's cool. It can be the way it is. Alright. I was working on Nextjs and Laravel app, and I realized that the local storage is not all that safe. Thank you. I've also learned something new today. Okay, that's cool. Let's go back to anti-gravity. Now here's what we're gonna do. First, let's make sure we have our dashboard in place, right? I want the anti-gravity thing to make we have comment, post, and user. So here we need to only worry about user and post. So the main thing is post. This is why we're having main CRUD operations, right? Within the post, not here, but I mean post service. This is where we're having the main CRUD operations. So this is what we have. And the next thing we have to do, and we also have to go to comments and then add comments. So let's first start the step by step. Let's work on the front part, right? The front end. Okay. Now, as you can see, my homepage looks good. Looks good with all the paginations. Would you make each post clickable so it can open to its specific ID and only show that post on a bigger spectrum so I can be able to read its content, since the home page will only show the summary of each post. Let's see how it's going to handle it. What version of React are you using? I'm using React 19. Okay, let's see how it's going to edit this entire front end. I mean the page here, right? So it's now editing this front page. Let's see how it's gonna do it, bro. I'm starting to like anti-gravity, bro. You get it. Soon as we get money, we should invest in anti-gravity, because it's gonna solve my problems on the front end. React 19 what? Let me just open this package JSON. You can see there, bro. There you go. Have you seen the React 19.2.2.0? We're using Next 16, which is nice. So let's see what's going on the front end. Implementing post detail page, starting the task. Okay. We're looking good, my boys. So it's actually creating a slug. This is a slug or an ID. I think it's a slug, right? So that any ID, right, this will be dynamic. If we put it like this, anything that we hit will just go through this. And yeah. Okay, the agent has a plan. Let's go to the plan. Bro, I'm liking this plan though. Like, this is how you literally code, bro. And it's even teaching you how to code. That's how crazy it is. Now, as you can see, we have implementing post detail page. The goal is to allow users to click on a post from the home page and view its full content on dedicated page. This involves creating a new dynamic route, post ID, and updating the home page to link to it. Okay. I am assuming the backend endpoint is API post ID exists and returns the post response structure. I really don't think we don't have that. Oh my god, we need to go and create that real quick. Hold on. Do we have getting the specific post? Let me look at the controller. Jesus, the front end better not surprise me. Not this comment. We go to the posts. Oh god, let's go to, okay, so post controller. Do we have the specific? Yes, we have get. Okay, we have this, getting this by specific ID. So it's actually written post ID. Should we change it to ID, you boys? It says like post ID, right? I think anything is going to work here. Does it have to be post ID like this? Oh, ID is okay. I think ID is okay. So we have API/post and then slash the ID, and we're good to go. So let's keep going. Exists and returns the post response types structure. Now propose changes. Modify this and wrap the article element in a link. Okay. Add hover effects to indicate interactivity. Oh my god, I'm going to cook with AI. I'm going to cook with AI, boys. I'm going to cook with AI. Let's see. Create a new client component. Use params to get to the ID. Okay, and then we are going to fetch these details by doing this, and then we're going to get the specific ID. Then we can display the title, author, date, and full content. Add a back to home button. Oh my goodness, this is cool. Verification plan, manual verification. I'm just going to accept all, and let's see as it's still working on it. Will the ID appear in the URL? I think it will. It will. Not the actual ID itself though, but it will just show us which element we have selected, right? Okay, let's see. Somebody requested also. Okay, let me approve. All right. Cool. So that's the roadmap that I'm using to teach myself. And another thing, I want to guide you guys here. Don't get it confused, right? What you're seeing here This first prompt is my style of learning. Now you can only just replace, let's say for example you are now learning validation and error handling. What you can do, you can say, okay, now pick this error handling and validation. Then you can come here and say, hey, please explain for me error handling and validation in Java Spring Boot. Okay, this is when I was learning Java, but you can use it for anything. This prompt, it gives you this kind of structure, right? Now the structure that I'm using is like this. Example, right? First, you get an example of what you're working on. Let's say 2 to 3 examples. That's my style. So 2 to 3 examples. After that, you will now go ahead and get an exercise that you can try, right? That you can try. It depends, right? Either 2 exercises. What's going on here? Is this even correct? Exercise. Yeah. Okay. Fine. So 2 exercises, like 1 to 2 exercises to do on that topic, right? 1 to 2 exercises. So after you understood that, or you get errors, then you can go to corrections, right? Corrections for errors that you make, and then make sure you understand. Okay, sure you understand. And I think that's it. After that, we're just gonna go ahead and yeah, so that's it. You start with examples, do the exercise, you do the corrections if you fail. This version is not safe. I'm telling you, I can put link for the problem, e.g. see React post, please. I'm begging. Yeah, normally you would want to use Slack to query the details of the post for the SEO purpose, including URLs and security reasons. Yeah, for sure. I don't know what my boy here is saying, right? But I don't know what you're saying. We shall see what AI did right now. So AI added, as you can see, AI added this posts, and then we have ID, and then this, right, which is the dynamic ID of the slug, and it has the same exact thing here. So let's see what it did. The post you're looking for might have been removed or is temporarily unavailable. Then back to home. Or else, then we have the post here. As you can see, the post name, username. What else? Okay, created and updated that. Now, placeholder for future share buttons. Oh, this is cool. Let's go and look at the result. Okay, let's look at the result. So let's refresh this. And as you can see, once we click this, can you see the URL is showing? It's literally showing the ID, right? Once we click, it will take us to that, and then failed to fetch 403. The post you're looking for might have been removed or is temporarily unavailable. No, this is a JW. Where Spring Security not authenticated for that. How is that possible? How is that possible that the user has to be authenticated to get let's go to fetch a specific post? Okay, get post. God, I don't know why that is giving us a problem. Let's look at this, and let's open this, then let's send this again. All right, what's really going on here? Localhost API posts, then we have 6. Make a Discord server. I have a Discord server. Can't you see the link up there, bro? Can't you see the link up there? I do have a Discord server. the link is literally up there. You see that link up there floating on top of the rest of the comments? That is the stuff. So why is this forbidden? Why is it forbidden? So it's actually returning forbidden. API/post/6. I think we need to also make the details to be public, because if I'm a user, I don't have to be logged in before I can use that, right? So let's go back to our config, and we also need to add the one with the ID too, right? Yep. So yeah, let's get alright, so the one with the ID too is going to be slash API slash post, and then slash post ID or the ID, right? Let's just say post ID, something like that. And let's restart the server. No problem, brother, no problem. Oh god. Okay, so the user already exists. Now that we've done that, let's go back to our front end and let's see what's happening. Let's refresh this. Exactly, that's what I'm talking about, right? That was the problem, so we had to fix it real quick. Okay, fine. Now this is it. This is the entire thing. We can go back, and then let's select this. Now let's go back to create. Let's create something. Let's say coding hasn't been easy, and then we can just write any blah blah thing. Let's just open this, say hey, coding hasn't been easy, get me a 100 character, get me a 100 character content for this blog title. Bro, the amount of AI I'm using, bro. I want you to see one thing, please. Okay, no problem. I'll see it. Just give me a second, okay? But it's not, what's this? 100 character? No, 100 words. 100 words. 100 words, bro. Okay, so we can just grab this and copy it, go back to the blog, paste this, and let's go and send. Now we have a problem, right? Let's go ahead and send this issue. I think it's even in our front end. Once we send anything that's above, wait, could it be our backend that's tripping? SQL issue. Okay, let's see. I think our backend is the one having a problem, right? I want you to see one thing, please. Okay, no problem, brother, no problem. I'll see it in a second. Okay, let's go back to our front end, our back end, and we can go back to, let's look at where we're handling the response. Let's go to models. We can go to post response detail. No, not that one, not the detail. All right, so here's the thing, this entire content, right, for some reason it's giving us errors. When we add like 100 words, it cannot allow us to. So what I'm gonna tell AI is like this. Okay, currently my content text area within the create post is not really allowing me to create posts above 100 words. Could the issue be the normal text area issue, and we can convert the content input into rich text editor where users can properly edit and upload relevant text, relevant posts, and currently I'm using Spring Boot on the backend, so it could contribute to the issue as well. Right now, here's my backend code, right? Let's see if there's any error on the front end. Alright, there's no any error on the front end, so probably our issue is in the backend. Let's send it and see what's up. I've shared a link in general. Can you see it? It's important, please. Okay, fine. Let me see it real quick. As AI is doing its thing. Yo, Root, my dog. That's good. That's good. That's good. I see, big boy. Okay, you shared something important. Okay. The critical vulnerability in React component server component disclosed as this that impacts React 19 framework that uses it. A fix has been published. Oh yeah, I know this stuff. Thank you. I know of it. I'm currently using. Wait. Yeah. I'm currently using 2. Can't you see? React versions. No, the one I'm using is not having any vulnerability. Upgrading immediately, right? Thank you though. Thank you so much. Means a lot, man. That's crazy. That's crazy issue, bro. Damn. Thanks, man. You have to get 19.21. How do you upgrade it? It's kind of confusing. Do I have to say install? Do I have to install it or what? No problem. Let's first focus on what's going on here. Found the issue in the logs. Your Spring Boot has the content set to this, which limits posts to 200 roughly 40 to 50 words. You need to upgrade your backend entity like posts to use at column, text, or blob content field to allow longer text. However, I can still proceed with upgrading your frontend rich text using this tip tab for modern. Okay, first off, let's okay, fine. I think I understand what's going on here, right? So we need to change our entity, right? Let me just this is how you coded AI. Let me open Cloud Code real quick. Okay, this is Cloud Code. I'm just gonna say, hey, go ahead and grab this issue, and I don't know waste time this doing all this, right? I'm gonna go to our post and say which one do we need to upgrade here. I think we just need to change this to blob rather than content or whatever. So here is here's my post entity. Should we change it so we can use a lot of words rather than limiting us to a certain range? Since I am already limiting in the response DTO, not response DTO, in the create post DTO already using at validation IO at validation IO and placed the size to maximum of 500 words. 500. I don't know if it's going to handle that, but let's see. Let's see how it's going to handle that. So you're absolutely right. Since you're already handling validations with this, your database column should be able to store much more than that. To give you here's the issue in your database is the bottleneck, not your DTO validation. So we need to change this to content column definition to text. So that's it. To support longer content. That's just it. The flow is in the React server component payload decoder. Lets attackers inject and execute arbitrary server code through special crafted requests. This bug upgraded when you push to Vercel. All right. Thank you. What changed? We added blob to, let me see, add lob. Okay. And then we added this. So lob means large object. Oh, large object. Okay. Thank you, my brother. Like the security thing, we are going to get into that. Okay, let's handle what like the small issue we have right now. Annotation large object, and then we add this definition to store up to this is a lot of characters, dog. This is a lot of characters. So we just need to change the column definition, and the rest will remain okay. So name, content, and then column definition. We make sure we annotate it to that lob. So you see how we are learning things, bro? Like on the go, literally, bro. Before I wouldn't know what this lob was representing, and from there we can just have column definition of text, and there we go. We can just now restart this, and we shall be okay, right? We shall be okay. So, alright, I'm just gonna copy this and say, okay, now my backend is okay. Let's go back to anti-gravity. Now my backend is fine. We can go ahead and make sure it is clean and modern. What did we want to achieve, bro, to begin with? I don't know. Modern. Okay, let's send it. Oh God. And first of all, let me first look at the React.js. Where's the? Okay, this is a vulnerability. When did they discover it? Yesterday. Wow. Okay, so that wait, how do we upgrade the React? Do we have to let me just ask how? Okay, let me just ask this. Okay, let's say I'm using React 19.0.20, but I wanna upgrade to React 19.21 using Nextjs. How do I do it? Alright, let's see. Here's how to upgrade. We just need to install this. That's it. Okay, fine. It's okay. It's fine. So what's going on here? Tip-top dependency. AI is going crazy right now. AI is going ballistic. Oh my God, this feels so good, bro. I feel like a coder right now. I feel like a front-end dev right now, bro. Alright, let me go ahead and what's going on with this? Join the Discord to chat with fellow attendees. Oh, React, they have a Discord server now. Oh my God. This is nice. Hey boys, do you guys have Twitter? Can you guys lucky with me on Twitter, bro? Like, I'm so lame on Twitter, bro. Oh my God, I need to actually change this. This makes me look amateur, bro. I need to remove that. bro. I don't like this picture, bro. I don't know. Man, y'all gotta lucky with me on Twitter, bro. Go ahead and follow me on Twitter, my boy. Okay, how can I change this? I literally need to change that, bro. It's so trash. Oh, I actually have pictures. I have interesting pictures here. of I had gone for a certain tech event. I think it will make sense to use it as my background. Yes, let me look at this stuff. It's called Africa Week, I think. Yep, let me look for them on my phone real quick. Oh my goodness. But I can see it. I can see it. Alright, I think it's yeah. Here they are. Good. Oh my god, boys, y'all should tell me this doesn't look good, bro. Like, can somebody tell me this doesn't look good? Let me send this on a MacBook. Alright. Can somebody tell me this doesn't look good, bro? Boys, see these pictures. See this, bro. Look how clean this is. Alright, so let's see if AI is done coding what we want. Okay, let's accept all. We don't have time to review it right now, but we can go ahead and test it out. Right, let's go implementation plan. I think it's done. Implementing rich text editor. Okay. All right, now let's go back to our dashboard. Make sure we have that in place. Create this SSR. SSR has been detected. Please set this explicitly for to avoid hydration. What's this issue about? Okay, what's that issue about? Yeah, boys, go ahead and show me some love on Twitter, bro. Cause I look lame with Twitter, bro. Twitter is just so hard to get people to follow you on Twitter. That's crazy. You understand? All right, and thinking, bro, this to tell you guys that this is unlimited as well. This is sauce, bro. This is sauce. Okay, and again, let's upgrade to React 19.2.1 since the current version has serious vulnerabilities. Wait. Oh man, I don't want to type all that vulnerability thing. Okay, I think it will check the current version. I'm currently focused on React version upgrade. My initial step is to, okay, version first. Okay. Oh, okay, I think it's fine now, right? It's installing it. See, the bug is big. Like, anyone can inject a code by HTTP to any React server and they can just go to know like how 30th. Oh, must have been using it for a long time. How can they do that, bro? How are the attackers getting wiser and wiser every day? I think they're using AI. Finally, boys, we have rich text editor, boys. We have rich text editor, bro. Like, this is what I've been wanting to add since that AI was stressing me about yesterday. We finally have the rich text editor, bro. This is beautiful, right? This is beautiful, dog. Like, I can literally type anything and bold it. Hold on, I can select this and bold it. Oh my goodness, I italicize it and I can goddamn, yep, it's split it and I can, oh my goodness, this is beautiful, right? But do we also need the title? Like, as soon as we put this, okay, fine. We can always put the title. It's okay. Kind of looks good though, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, so, like I said, boys, go and show some love here. Go show some love here, bro. Like, I want y'all to follow me real quick on Twitter. Matter of fact, I need to be able to add my Twitter always in under the description and stuff. So I need to build my Twitter cloud, you know. Gotta have some brothers over there. Alright, we had some recent picture that I sent from the phone. What's the name of that? Okay, let me just rename it to Emma and we can look for it. It's in downloads. Okay, fine. Let's go to I'm supposed to do this. Add Emma. I think it's Emma here, right? Let's see. Where is it at, man? I thought I had it right now. How do we look for that? I think we need to go to prod here, then we just say Emma. Shall I get the picture? Are we gonna get the picture? No, bro. What the hell is that? Okay, let's look for E. Oh, it's H. Okay, that version is not gonna be supported. God damn. That version is super high. They will not accept it. It's okay, bro. It's fine. It's fine. Let's just leave it at that. Okay. Y'all go follow me on Twitter, bro. Go type this name and follow me on Twitter. Okay, stop tripping, bro. Okay, we have the current version and successful upgraded React. Okay, let's look at package.json. We have React 19 is upgraded. Okay, that is beautiful. That is beautiful. So let's go back to our I'm gonna remove this and rich text editor. Okay, so now let's try to create the entire blog, right? But a blog shouldn't have, I don't know, let me ask AI, what's the, I mean, should I limit the content words to be added by users to my blog post, or just randomly allow all? Let's see. Bro, good hard work and keep it up, man. We'll become Mr. Beast. I imagine Mr. Beast for coders. Limit user-generated blog post content such as 1,000 to 2,500 word marks rather than allowing unlimited submissions. Is encourage focus readable posts. So I'm just gonna keep it as 2,500 words, which is what AI will recommend. So let's just go to our Spring Boot and we go to our response DTO, which is our post response DTO. I mean our create post response DTO. I mean our create post DTO, not response DTO. So 5,000. Oh, 5,000 is cool. I feel like 5,000 is okay. 5,000 should be fine. Literally 5,000 should be very, very okay. I'm just gonna keep it as 5,000. It's okay. It's okay. Improve readability, shorter structure, whatever. Okay. So now I have a title called coding is dead because coding is dead in 2026. Try farming. Give me the content and from the title. Content should be oh my god, should be 500. I mean, let's give it 3,000 words with proper English grammar and good punctuation. All right, let's see. Oh my god, what the hell is this? core argument outline expand. I mean, give me the content. I can provide you a well-written, okay? Coding is dead in 2026. Try farming. Yes. Let's grab the title and let's go ahead and grab 3,000 words. This should be a lot of words, right? This draft covers introduction and 3 to 4 sections. So I think we're gonna grab this. Let's paste this inside our rich text. Good, we got rich text editor right there. Let's turn this into H2. Let's make this bold and let's try to space this a little bit. Okay. Coding, I think, let's see. Farming might just be the next big thing for coders and entrepreneurs. Okay, so this is another title. Let's make this bold. Okay, let's leave some space. Then here as well, burnout and saturation. Let's leave this as bold too. And I think that's gonna do it. Now this is like this is 3 factors. These factors contribute. Okay, I think this should be 1 word, but a gap here. All right. Let's try to break this into, I don't know. It's okay. It's okay. I've sent a big prompt and see that, please. Okay, fine. Let's try to add this blog post. Yo, that blog post is created. God damn. I feel good right now, bro. Oh my God, bro. I feel so good, bro. Let's go. Let's try to see if, wait, we can add. Failed to fetch all posts. What's going on? Do we have a problem? Bad type? SQL? Do we have a problem? You sent a big prompt? Alright, let me see. We have a lot of things open, bro. Oh my goodness. I'm super happy, bro. You guys don't know how excited I am. Don't switch. You are a senior front-end in USA. You're well-structured markdown that defines front-end. What's that for? What's the prompt for? Prompt engineer? What is it for? What's that for? Let's try to solve this first. Send. Bruh. Failed to fetch post. We have a problem. I think there's something wrong. We have SQL error. Oh yes, I now understand why, right? We have a problem. Okay, thank you for that. I'll look into that. I think we already have this one in the database. We have things that are content that's using the normal text, and then we've changed the entire thing. So we're supposed to create another migration. But what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna take this down and then bring it back up again. Alright, this is where migration is important, but we're not gonna worry about migration now, bro. That's a whole nother topic to worry about. So I'm just gonna say docker compose down V to delete every single thing that's there. Okay, and the next thing I'm gonna say is docker compose. Now, after the docker compose down V, I'm just gonna go ahead and restart this application. It will just start Docker by itself. Oh, that's a markdown file for AI to use. Ankh, when did you start programming? I think months ago. I think I was, let me see, I have a year now. I think, yeah. 1 year of coding. I have 1 year of coding. My boy, yo, hold on, bro. Hold on, bro. I gotta give a stand ovation for my brother. This is a special interest for the GOAT himself, alright? This is a special interest for the GOAT himself. Yo, let me take it up and say, let's welcome my brother Codewise. That's my dog right there, bro. How you doing, bro? How you doing? Yo, boys, let me tell you guys something, bro. if you guys want to learn, right? Because you guys been stressing me about Monster. Ever since I left Monster, you have been stressing me so much about Monster. Now we have in the building the goat of Monster himself, right? Let me look him up real quick. Okay, wait a minute, for real. Let me look him up real quick. Code wise, that's my brother right there. Y'all go, man. If you guys want to learn anything to do with coding, as long as you're a Monster dev, my boy dropped a bombshell tutorial, bro. Look, hey, look at how much I fuck with my brother. Like, y'all go follow him, man. Y'all go subscribe to his channel. He's insane. He's insane at this. So let me show you guys just a second.
And install everything that we need. So we finish with this. We're going to need pressure.
Yeah, boys. So if you want to learn Monster, my brother got you covered. So nobody should disturb me anymore. For real, bro. Nobody should stress me anymore. Go watch my boy Codewise right there, bro. That's my brother, man. Y'all go subscribe to him straight. Follow him. Do whatever you want to do, my boys. Alright. How you doing, man? Codewise. How is everything, my G? Root. Your name is the funniest. Yeah. The thing is like, I don't know. My brothers they would rather watch live streams than to watch vlogs, and I'm trying to showcase Rwanda, you know. All right, so that's his channel right there, boys. Go subscribe to him. Yeah, so thank you, bro. Thanks for that. Thanks for the love, my G. All right. As you can see, we've switched the stack, man. That's crazy. We switched the stack. Let's try to refresh this. It's going to be empty. We don't have posts. That's great. Let's paste this. Oh my goodness. You love the vlogs. What are we working on? We're working on a blog post, right? A blog post application. I'm following a certain thing to like teach myself a Spring Boot, and I've pretty much like, bro, I've learned a lot, man, when it comes to Spring Boot. So just give me a sec, I'll show you what we're doing. How is France, bro? How is France? Is it like is it winter? Is it winter in France now? I think it's cold over there, bro. God damn. Napoleon, guys. Okay, let's see. The rise of AI. Okay, so let's go ahead and bold this. Let's bold that. Burnout from tech. Let's also bold this. I think that this should do it now. If we go ahead and publish it, then let's go back to the home page. We don't have anything. By the way, that video took 2 months to record. I started working on the full project in August. Yeah. Bro, how is that possible, bro? How did you spend 2 months to record? Nah, I gotta give it to you, bro. Yo, people better get it to 10K, bro. I wanna see you get rich from that video now, because the video is full. Like, you know, I was watching the deployment part, right? Because I literally, like, the rest of the parts, I knew the authentication part and I think it was user service and some other service, and then the API gateway. But then the deployment part was like giving me a hard time, so I had to check it out because I love the way you place the timestamps, and that's the best way to watch tutorials. Actually, like long tutorials like this, use it as a learning point, not just watching the entire thing throughout. You can go and watch a specific part and then come back to the one you don't understand, or you can sit through the entire 12 hours and then divide it into chunks, like 3 hours each. 12 hours, bro. I uploaded one. YouTube said it was too long, so I decided to add front-end stuff in part 2. It will be 20 hours. Yo. So this is how much stress YouTubers go through, bro. And people don't get to see that part. And then there will be people that are saying bullshit like, tutorial hell blog. I say blog. I say bro, I can't speak English. Bro, man, I feel bad, bro. At the same time, I feel good that you're putting in that much work. Okay, so this is summarized, and once we click, it will go to the homepage. Yup, it's summarized. That is good. You see the headline? Coding is dead in 2026. Try farming. I swear to God, bro, people be complaining like crazy. people be going crazy, bro. All right, let's go ahead and click. Good. So our blog post, yeah, our entire blog post looks clean, bro. Like the UI is super nice. Everything looks fresh. You understand? We are using rich text editor. Everything looks clean. I like that for sure. Okay. Let's go back to dark mode, bro. I don't want to ban you guys. Alright, so we have this. I'm just gonna say coding here as well, coding, something like that, and then go ahead and publish. Also just do the same thing, coding 2. I just want to show the pagination part to see if everything works. Man, your brother's upskilled himself like crazy, bro. Okay, I've upskilled myself like crazy, you know. I'm trying to come join you there. I want to join you in France, my G. Is there space for me? Let's go. Okay, I think 5. This is delete. Alright, now let's go back here. They are all let's go. I'm gonna let AI design for us the dashboard. I really don't want to do it myself, bro. It's gonna take me forever. I want to host the application as soon as possible. So select this and we just publish all of them. Alright, we go here and boom, we have pagination. Now, bam, we have what we need, right? This looks super clean, my G, and the pagination is done in the backend, like from the backend using Spring Boot. So yeah, we're going crazy, bro. We're going crazy. Now, the only thing we need to add now is the ability. You like the UI? Yep. I'm about to finish though. You joined when we were about to finish the application. I think we spent like 5 days on it. See, I like the progress you're making, man. Thanks a lot. Thanks so much, my G. You know, we're never gonna give up, bro. Until we make it out of here. Thanks so much, my G, for sure. I'm gonna start applying for jobs after this. Like after finishing the next project that we're gonna start soon, we're gonna be there. And speaking of projects, I literally want to do like the long tutorials thing. I always just feel like they take long to make. That's the problem. And given like you want to see like quick dopamine, like how people are reacting to what you're putting out, is crazy. So I need to start doing that for real. Like more quality than quantity. I think that makes sense. Alright. So let's see, we have the comment response detail. Let's see, do we even need to add the role of the comment, like of the user that added the comment? I think by default every user is a normal user by default. Let's see. Yeah, by default every user, hold on, where is the roles? Yep, by default everyone that's logged in will be a regular user. Yeah, it'll take a very long time to make. And I was seeing you like the way you are very like confident, right? Do you take time, like let's say you make a mistake, do you edit it out or you go and research it and then you continue with where you stopped? How do you do that, bro? I need to know that for sure. I need to know that, man. Because me, I do my stuff one take. Like I don't care if I make errors or what. One take. Let me show you. I have a video that people have been asking me about this stuff for long, right? Let me go to YouTube. Let me show you. With I think it's in content. Then we can go to, I think it was some long form kind of stuff. Yep, this one. No, not this one. Hold on. Is it really the one? No. It's wait, yep, this is the one. Building a scalable API. Hey bro, I need to learn a Spring Boot and I'm a beginner. Can you suggest what to do? I try to fix it live, but when it starts to take long time to figure out, I pause the recording and try to fix it, then go back and implement the fix. Okay. Thank you for that tip. My boy said he's trying to learn Spring Boot. Man, like learning a new language, I really don't know, bro, if I can like give you any idea on that. Cause hey, bro, yo, what's good? All I do is just code. Like literally, I started with Spring Boot, I think 70 days ago. Yes, 70 days ago. Spring Boot with Java, right? So I just went all in, and I had a simple. Let me give you like a simple thing. Oh, yep. This is a simple prompt that I have, and it mainly focuses on give me 2 to 3 examples on, let's say, topic collections. Okay, after that, give me an exercise, 1 to 2 exercises on collections, and after that, I do it myself, right? Given the exercise, I do it myself, and then after that, I submit to AI and say, hey, audit me or correct me where possible, and then we do corrections. Then I try it again, and the loop continues, right? Given any topic that I need, like lambdas and all that, right? After that, I just started building projects. That's how it is, like literally. That's how I got to this one. How's it going? It's cool, my brother. So the next thing we're gonna go for is this, man. I saw you, like code-wise, I'm going to use some of your ideas on microservices to build this entire e-commerce backend thing using Spring Boot, right? So I was speaking about this YouTube. What's funny is that I did not even, it was one take. Like literally, I sat down for 1 hour, did this entire video, and it gave me like 100 watch hours, which is crazy work, right? So I don't know if I should continue doing this or just stick to like the regular videos and streams. I don't know, bro. I don't know. How's the going? It's lit, man. It's going good. We're going great, man. All right, so I think that is it. The next thing we're gonna do is just let me just close this. You should try it, bro. For sure, I will, man. I will. I swear to God, I will, man. I'm impressed by you, though. You know, like I'm impressed by your progress. You've gone like crazy work. All right. So I just want to do something real quick with AI here. I just want AI to handle something for me real quick. Let me close all. And I'm gonna make sure I go inside the dashboard, and I'm just gonna tell AI now the current dashboard looks outdated. We are using ShatCN, and you can make a Java backend on booking platform. See my prompt and like a modified. Okay, fine. Speaking of your prompt, you sent it for sure. Let me see it. Okay. What's going on now? Backend Spring Boot, feature this, enhance and refine the existing, not rebuild everything from scratch, clean up and recognize roads, improve navigation, layout, make authentication role-based, correct and intuitive, improve the draft visually. Suggest this is modern improvement that can implement a framework like Next. We're not using like Vue or whatever, so I don't know. Output return only the markdown content, no commentary about what you're doing, clear headings and subheadings, bullet, whatever. What is this prompt all about? Brother, I'm doing a strong DSA and good project with blockchain. I also want to switch to Java. You have to though. You have to switch to Java for real. You have to switch to Java. Java is super cool, man. Java is a very cool language. Java is a very cool language. What's my boy saying? Oh my god. Let me look at this. Oh, why is this super long like this? This is so long, guys. Short description of FilthiBlog, create the state of the front end, minimal. I think AI has done it for us already, right? Auto saving, manual saving has dropped. What's this? What's this? What's this? Just enhance your UI. You sure? Are you sure? Okay, I'm going to grab this and I'll try it. Alright, let's try it out and see what's gonna happen. Thankfully, you know what I'm gonna do? Let's first push these current changes that I have to my comment getting deleted, lol. My very handsome, I agree. Wait, who's deleting your comment? who did who deleted your comment, bruh? What are you saying? Who deleted it? Who's deleted? I'm currently watching a handsome man doing some work in the bottom right corner. Bro, why? What are you guys talking about, man? What are y'all talking about? What are you guys saying? I didn't check my new portfolio. Oh, on your new portfolio where? You sent it on portfolios? No, why did you send the new portfolio? It's gonna return MD file to drop out. Okay. It's in the comments? No. YouTube cannot allow you to send comments, especially if it's links. YouTube will not accept. YouTube is like that toxic ex of yours, right? Oh yeah. Just send it on Discord. Send it on Discord within portfolios. I'm gonna see it real quick. I'm gonna see it right now. Yo, Abhinav, you said something like the markdown. It's gonna return MD file, change the draft route to dashboard/drafts. Yes, exactly. I was actually planning to let AI build the draft stuff right now. So let's try to send this and see what's up. The only markdown was section and detail, not actual React. You can't only the clear implementations. All right, let's see what's gonna happen. But before that, right? As AI is doing its thing, let me just send git add dash nope git add and then git commit. Not really. That's not what I meant. 6 months are enough for Java backend. That's your opinion? Yes, for sure. If you're coding every single day, though. Added rich text editor. Okay, and git commit. Git push. Okay, so now we have a clean slate. We can work with what's gonna happen. Send. I remember being broke. Oh, fiston.dev, huh? Wait, why is it okay? That's just the name. It's not even coming as a link. That's crazy. Let's see, fiston.dev. I wonder why you have so many names, bro. You have Codewise, you have Fiston, you have goddamn what's his name? You got Fiston, you got Codewise, you got Root, and I don't know the other one. The Haas Master. Bro, this name is fire. This name is tough, bro. You gotta take that name. The Master of Haas, the Haas Master. Hey, I am Fiston. I build things for the web based in. Wait, let me see your location, bro. Are you trying to dox yourself? Let's try to dox you, bro. Why? Oh, okay. I thought this was your. Can I look this up? Is this where you stay at? I build for the web and share my journey on YouTube. Oh, my boy flexing his YouTube, huh? That's cool. Obviously, it's an achievement, dog. You gotta flex it, man. You feel me? What did you say here? Okay, finally done recording the deployment. Brother, you made an issue. You made a typo here. Deployment part of the upcoming services. Microservices. This took months, but I hope you guys will enjoy it. Wow, wow, wow. That's my brother code-wise. Let's get it. Okay, let me view your work. View your work. Is it? Woohoo! Okay, it's just down, right? It's not changing it. Yo, what did you use for this? Is that frame of motion? Yo, this is super clean, bro. I like this. I like this. Wow. Okay, you have glance analytics, and your stack is React, Honor. Oh, you're mainly JavaScript, right? Okay. Fastify, Postgres, MongoDB, Redis, Superbase, Docker, Vercel, AWS, Git, GitHub, Figma, VS Code. Wow. Oh, you can design too? I didn't know that. I didn't know you could design. Wow. Have a project in mind? Wait, bro. Do you have this as a template? I need this, bro. I need this. If you have this as a template, I need it. I swear to God. Say hello. Oh, I can contact you straight. I can copy your email. Nah, bro. You better send me this. Send me the template. Of course. Yeah, bro. Send me for sure. Send me the template. I need that template. I want to use it, bro. I don't want to code a portfolio from scratch. I will just use the same as this one. Hey, I am Emmanuel Francis. I build things for the web. I am Emmanuel. Things for the web. Okay, based in Rwanda, Kigali, Rwanda, Gisozi to be exact. I build for the web and share my journey on. I add my YouTube, and then here I add my work. Copy the email. Yeah, just send me the template, my G. Let's look at GitHub. Okay, I think I've seen your GitHub a couple of times. Why you don't add your GitHub, my boy? Okay, YouTube it to take us to YouTube. Oh, bro, there are issues with your links, man. You gotta correct them. LinkedIn. Is this? Why are you located in Ukraine? What's going on with you, bro? Okay. Bro, we've built some crazy connections, right? We have some crazy connections on LinkedIn now, bro. I'm using key static for the CMS. Okay. Understood, my brother. Okay, now what's going on here? Oh, you've reached quarter limit for Gemini Pro. You can resume using model at this. Select another model. Okay, we can select Sonnet, Cloud Sonnet. Has it done anything though? Oh, this is the entire plan. But brother, thanks for the feedback, man. Oh man, goddamn, it's not even a feedback because I know by default you're a great developer. So obviously you're gonna have that touch of fist and touch. I gotta be somewhere for a while, bro. See you in a bit. Alright, no problem. We'll catch up, my G. Thanks, man. Thanks for your time, dog. I'm about to finish even right now in a minute. All good, man. Code-wise. See ya. Let's see what one. Wait, we gotta address this. We gotta address this local story thing. Brother, don't you think this is like, I don't know, isn't it going to like recreate everything of ours from scratch? Don't you think so? Don't you think so? Okay, continue. If there's any issue, we shall always revert it back, alright? That's the best part about version control. the most critical. Wait, brother, what the hell is this? Improve add guards for admin pages. No. Here's the thing. Hold on. Let me show you. We have a problem. We have a big problem here. Let it delete everything. I'll show you why we have a problem. So why do we have a problem? We have a problem because if you think about it, the way our application like function on the back end. So what you are doing by adding all that auth context and all that stuff is literally creating another auth. So let's just focus on the dashboard and say, hey, let it build for us the dashboard. Okay, let's start with okay. I changed my mind. Just work on the dashboard and make it functional. Here are my endpoints, and make the admin dashboard modern and clean. We are using, what are we using? Chassian, right? Chassian for the UI, and Chassian for the UI. Here are my endpoints. Okay, so we need to make sure we pass in this is what we have, our service and also our endpoints. I don't think we have to send our service, but we need to send our endpoints so that it can have an idea of what we are lacking. And then lastly, after this, we shall just add comments. So that's how we need to do it. Okay, now it's running now. Modern functional admin dashboard for FilthiBlog using endpoints we provided. Yeah, for real. No, that is actually a good way to start. If we had started the blog application like that, we would continue like that. You understand? Yeah, for real. Thanks a lot for real, bro. Like, you contribute greatly. Like, I literally, like, man, I admire your work ethic, and you don't just watch the stream for the sake of watching. You're also learning, and also, we are, bouncing ideas off of each other. Thanks for that, for real. So this is what we have. Here we have the admin dashboard implementation. Bro, if you guys don't appreciate me for showing you guys what anti-gravity is doing, because I'm wasting my tokens, right? Okay. Overview with stats, add navigation sidebar. For this, we need to create drafts, list page, edit functionality, publish action or confirmation, add. Okay, my stuff is a little bit. So I want us to finish the entire front end today so that we can host it and call it a day for the entire front end, even the back end as well. But we need to make sure we don't forget that we have to use how do I call it? God, I'm forgetting. We have to use HTTP only. Opus 4 is good, like way better than Sonnet. For sure? Okay, no problem. Let's first use it for now and see how it goes. Then we shall try Opus. Why is this redirecting a lot of times? What's going on? Oh, it keeps testing it, right? And it tests the paginations as well. Yeah, because here's the thing. I'm planning to apply for full stack roles and backend, but basically backend roles, right? With Spring Boot. So everything on the UI, we are just doing it as a learning progress as well, and also trying to use AI to, code as well. You get what I'm saying? Yeah, for sure, for sure, for sure. Abhinav, why is your name very long on YouTube? Why is it too long like that? Oh my goodness. Hey, my battery is literally 7%. Damn. I don't know if it's going to manage, but yeah. I need to before it ends my stream, right? Let me go ahead and let me just make my computer charge instead. Okay. All pages, so it's done, right? I've completed modern login. Okay, let's grab it and walk through. I don't think we have to, but let's just open it. So what it did, it literally just built a complete modern dashboard for FilthiBlog using Shadcn. So start starts displaying total drafts, published posts, and total posts. Quick access, direct links to manage drafts and publish this. Create button, prominent, create new posts, and then card amber for drafts, emerald for publish, blue for totals. Alright, without doing too much, let's go and check the result out and refresh this. Then let's go to create blog. Okay, but we need to go to the dashboard. So what I'm gonna do, create blog should take us a dashboard. Oh, I don't know what, but let's see. Let's go to dashboard. You can also add the Java S in Mac. What is Java S? Yo, why does the blog, why does it look bad like that? Is it just me? Oh, it's going to admin/dashboard. Okay, we need to create admin/dashboard. Oh, this looks clean. You know, in today's world, like programmers with no AI versus no programmer is way better, but the programmer with AI is miles ahead in today's environment. They just know how to make it work and error solution for real. I'm telling you. And the fact that this is even giving us the total published is crazy. Like look at what AI has done for us, bro. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is crazy, bro. We have 0 drafts. We can manage drafts. We can view published posts, right? If we're gonna slice this, it's gonna take us to god. What AI is doing is insane. So I'm gonna say we currently have have some duplications. Okay, first before we conclude, let's say create post is prominent here. Then let's click create post and see what's up. Okay, this is gonna take us here, which is good. We can make it as draft and we can go back to the dashboard. All right, now we have some simple duplications. I'm just gonna say we currently have some duplications of dashboard and also /admin/dashboard. Remove the first one /dashboard and make the flow fluid between login and fluid. I think that is it. Then after we can go to the navbar, publish on the backend. Also the counter for it, just the front end thing, is the total published on backend. Also like, wait, are you asking about this? You're asking if the total published? Yes, this is actually my backend. This number is what is stored in my backend. These are the total published posts in my backend. There are 6 posts. But if I go to like, because from my backend it keeps on updating the number when you remove post from publish, from draft and make it as published, it will reduce this by 1 and update this by 1. I did, bro. Your brother is going crazy. Like, my entire backend is very functional. My backend is, I'm just doing this front end just to consume the endpoints, but everything on the backend is like robust, very robust, industry standard. Now, view drafts. As you can see, we don't have. We don't have. Oh my god! Jeez, I'm going to remove create block here. I'm going to remove this. Actually, I'm going to remove that. But let's see what AI is going to do for us. Okay, it's going to delete that first one, and then let's see what's going to happen. Oh my god, bro. Like, if we can look at my SpringBoot, this is crazy. Like, this entire blog post is literally going to, like, it's going to do it for me in as my first project. This is my first project. So the second project, we're going to do it with microservices, and yeah, we're going to do a lot of things, my boys. Okay, this should be enough. We need to remove the tasks. Okay, let's remove this. Yeah. So what are you guys working on? Actually, I'm very interested in what you guys are building. Are you guys using AI too? It's between the two of us, okay? I'm not gonna tell people you're using AI, okay? Oh, funny. Alright. Why do we have create post everywhere? Goddamn. I don't know. I kind of don't like that. Create post, create blog. What's that? Create blog, create post. Let's go to the homepage. Yep. Now, if we can go to this, you can see we have our blog post, man. This looks so clean. This looks clean. We have Gamer Filthy, the one that you know what I'm saying. So that's what I'm trying to do here. Like, this shouldn't show create post. It shouldn't even show sign up either. If there's a user that's logged in, we need to be able to show the card instead of what we are doing here, right? So that's it. That's what we're gonna do. Wow, this is super interesting, bro. Why do we have the thing as an email here? I don't know. Can you like fix navbar if you logged in so it should not say? Yeah, that's what I'm thinking about too, right? It shouldn't continue saying sign up after we even So as we can see right now, I think AI has corrected it. Let's go back here and refresh this. All right, let's go back to this and we say / dashboard. I think this should show dashboard. If admin is logged in, show profile, like manage credentials. Yes, for real. So let's go back and say, okay, now the navbar layout looks modern, but could need some touch. Also, user info should be shown instead of sign up, even if we have a session. And also, the create blog button is not consistent with the rest, and it doesn't look good there. You can make the entire flow clean, since we already have the login. Oh my god, login /logger, /sign up flow. Oh my god, already in place. Let's see. Rendered conditionally. Yeah, bro, you front-end devs, bro, you guys trying to flex on me. Settings, profile, admin panel. Yes, we are trying to add them step by step. You know that when you break down things by yourself step by step is easier than giving a big ass prompt and telling AI to do it. Did you guys notice that? The bigger your prompt, the less output AI is gonna do for real. But if we specifically focus on one thing, let's say we want the AI to only generate oh my god, why am I forgetting that? To only work on the, let's say, the navbar, it will make it very perfect. So let's see what's gonna happen. And for starters, we have user data. Here's username, email, roles, whatever. Okay, this is supposed to be coming from actually our types, right? But it's okay. Let it just use it for that. So the navbar automatically is gonna show. Okay. I think the navbar kind of looks good. What do you guys think? We can either go to dashboard or log out. We don't have actually log out functionality because I did not implement it in the JWT thing. I think log out functionality is we just have to delete the cookies, right? To end the session. I think. What do you guys think? I think for the logout, we just have to delete only the session. Okay, this is light mode. Bro, we are onto something with this application, dog. I can't even lie to you guys. We are onto something. We are onto something for real. Alright, we cannot log out. Logged out successful. Wait, it implemented logout. What did it do? What did it goddamn do? Whoa. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. What did it do? Let's see. Let's see. Check auth. Okay. Const check auth. First, we check if we have the auth token. Okay. Okay. Fine. Try to fetch the user data from the backend. Okay, because I have that currently. Okay. Fine. 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 If response is okay, then set the user data to user data. And wait a minute. What's happening here? Where's the user data? Oh, user said user data and then user data. Okay, fine. So if the response okay, we await response of JSON. Okay, that's okay. Or else, I mean, then we go ahead and set the user data, and if it's not there, then we invalidate, we remove it. You have to delete the cookies. Yeah, sure. Right now we are still using local storage. We need to use cookies instead, right? If endpoint doesn't exist, just check if the token exists. Okay, fine. I think the logout functionality is insane. We didn't even like stress. Now it's gonna show login or sign up, right? And if we log in, because we can log in as an admin, since we already have by default an admin account. We can just log in with it, and boom. Yo, we are redirected to the dashboard. God, this is clean. Anybody that sees this and doesn't appreciate the art, what are you doing, bro? Yeah, so what's happening here, right? We are using API/auth/me, which is going to get the currently logged in user. So that means we need to also check the login to also work on this, because here we are unnecessarily doing a lot of things here. No, in pages that we are trying to protect, right? Which pages are we trying to protect? Okay, which pages are we trying to protect? Whereas, like, if you're not logged in, you will need an access to it. Like, for example, admin, for example, dashboard. Now let's say I log in as let me log out and let me try to log in as let me try to log in as sign up, right? Let me try to sign up as a regular user. Let me just use Emma. use this. Okay, that's gonna, let's use that. Let's say here is Emma, then create an account. Yo, bro, I have also a full-fledged e-commerce API, but I don't have front-end. Which AI you recommend for front-end? Currently I'm using anti-gravity. Go and use anti-gravity, bro. I'm gonna reach out to them and say, hey, I have some audience of mine that want to use anti-gravity. Okay, can you allow them to have unlimited access, like to all the models without any problem? Can you guys do that? You are in space? Are you in space? Nah, bro, I'm not in space. How can, there's no internet in space? What are you talking about? There's no internet in space, bro. Okay, now okay, I need there's a problem I want to ask, right? Is it just okay? Now, why do I see all the posts of the previous admin user even when I logged in? When I logged in with, oh my god, with a regular goddamn regular user account. Could it be my SpringBoot backend? That's the issue. Do you know about Whisperflow? No, it's a voice to text app that can convert your voice to text. It's pretty fast and has punctuation. I really don't know. Does it integrate with everything I'm doing? This method currently filter draws by current user. However, I notice that regular users are being redirected to /log, which is happening. Regular users log in and get redirected to the dashboard. The dashboard shows all drafts not filtered by users. Regular users shouldn't have access to admin routes at all. So it's okay. I'm gonna give that a try. But the reason why I type out all these prompts is because I want to like also improve touch typing. I'm so trash at it. Like if I'm to do just a normal monkey type test right now, if I go to monkey type and show you guys my typing speed, bro, it's embarrassingly slow, bro. Be seen, okay, seen, done, stand, same, help. You see that? Oh my god, oh my goodness. Those come on, these would the keep on. Oh my goodness, no, most they might. Okay, any give whatever. Okay, 38 words per minute. Some so trash. In India, we are getting free GPT. Go model is better. That's crazy, bro. You guys are blessed, man. You guys are blessed. Okay, so what's happening here? Let's first try to understand how the role-based authentication access, is it RBAC? Okay, role-based authorization access, access control, I think. Okay, now the redirect based on user role is happening here. So what's going on here? This is the login form. Okay, so we set the authentication. After setting the authentication token to our local storage, then if data.role is equal to admin, window.location, href, admin dashboard, and okay, this is redirecting to the admin dashboard, or else we redirect to the something went wrong. Now, can't we use toast? Okay, another issue that we have, right? Why is the role optional? I'm thinking the role shouldn't be optional, right? So by default, if the role is not there, nah, bro, you guys are bad, right? You guys are lucky yourself. Okay, let's refresh this. Let's try to log out and then see what's up. Let's now try to log in as a regular user. I think I had signed up already, right? So let's see. Let's log in and yes, because we are not an admin, right? That's good. Now let's log out and then try to log in as the admin. The admin is here. Okay, let's log in. Good. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, so I have a problem again. This is the admin dashboard for the admin, but we need a dashboard for a regular user that wants to upload, right? That wants to create just their post and change their post to public, right? Okay. Okay. Is it the same dashboard though? Like, can we use the same exact dashboard? Can we use the same exact dashboard? Okay, so can we create another dashboard that's for regular users who can just create and manage their own posts, but the admin can overlook all their actions. Let's see. Make the admin the domain, but you have to figure out about calls really. I really don't even know. Let's see. We can create a user where regular users can manage their own post while admins can oversight all the content. Let me build this out, okay? Let's see. Coding with AI, like this is literally the sweetest thing. So what I'm gonna do, so far everything works. I'm just gonna say git add. Let me just add this to the commit. And I'm just gonna say git commit -m. It's gonna say added admin dashboard and corrected the UI for creating posts. Okay, it's just going to add whatever that we added. Then we can just say git push. Okay, that is that. Now let's see. Make the admin.domains. Yes, that's gonna be for the domains later. But for now, I just want to get the basic MVP going so that I can make it live, bro. You know, at the end of the day, what employers want to see is that, oh, you have the admin thing going on. You have you can view the specific posts. Okay, everything looks good. We can you know, and then we can just host it. I think that is the most important part. We don't have to do too much, right? Even for this one, I'm just gonna leave it at JWT. Then the next application, we can now use the auth tool. You get? So that's my plan really for now. Let's see. Building user dashboard structure. It's available. What are you talking about? What's available? Admin oversight, user flow. So login as regular user, redirect to dashboard, create posts, save as drafts, edit drafts, publish when ready, view all on posts in one space. Oversight, admins retain full access to view all users' posts, delete any post, publish any drafts. Your backend get posts method already filters by current users, so users will only see their own. Yes, In which year are you, brother? I'm in my third year, literally. I'm in my third year, bro. Let's send this. I'm in my third year, and I literally just finished the first semester. I'm finishing on 22nd December my first semester. So let's try to log out and let's log in as a regular user. Okay, let's log in as a regular user. That's gonna be Emma. Did it? Okay, Emma, and let's log in as a regular user. Oh, now we have our own dashboard, right? Okay. Okay, this is cool. This is cool. So we only see the drafts, we see the published posts, and we can see create posts there, right? Create posts. Now what's this? Start creating a new blog. Are they not the same? I feel like create posts we already have here. Why do we have again create posts? You just 1 year behind me? That's amazing, bro. It's not really a marathon, bro. It's not a sprint, it's a marathon. Okay. For all the dashboards, the create post is kind of repeated, right? Or duplicated. Could you remove the redundant one and just leave one and make sure the UI looks as clean as it is. What's the difference between normal user and admin now? Yeah, there's a big difference. I'll show you right now. You add a graph API to get analytics, brother. You can make a GPT prompt for it. What did he say? You add a graph API to get analytics, brother. Can you make... Oh, for graphs, right? We gotta do that. Great. We're gonna do that. We're gonna add the graph. We're gonna make it, look clean. Okay, we're going to add all that. We're gonna add that. We're gonna get a clean UI, trust me. AI is sweet, bro. I feel good right now using AI. I've been anti-AI, but real time with Socket.io. That will be some back-end heavy work. I feel like that is over-engineering if you think about it. We can leave the Socket.io part for when we are building the chat application, because that will be the next thing after creating the e-commerce backend. So after this, the next streams will all be about e-commerce backend and building the entire e-commerce backend. Then we shall now finalize with Socket.io. Yeah, later, not on this application though. This application is okay like this, the way it is. The way it is okay for now. Let me refresh this, and I kinda don't think AI has done anything. Let me first, this is the dashboard. AI hasn't done nothing on the, okay, I think it did it on the admin dashboard. Let's see. Okay. Yep, this is cool. Here's okay. Also, I'm gonna tell it to okay, now do the same in regular user dashboard. Yeah, we're going to use Socket.io for the second for the chat application that we shall build. I see what you mean. Let me check if there are duplicate edit pages for users and consolidate them. I see there are duplicate edit pages, dashboard, edit dashboard, whatever. Okay, accept. Wait, bro, is this nanoseconds? I'm sleeping on this. What's running in nanoseconds, bro? What? Can somebody tell me if this is true? Complete in nanoseconds, and then render took 11 milliseconds. Wow. What are they using? Which language are they using for this, bro? Because this is fire. Why are they counting it in nanoseconds though? Oh, this is microseconds. I think it's nanoseconds, bro. Well, micro and nano, which one is smaller? I think it's nanoseconds, bro. Nanoseconds versus microseconds. Microseconds. I think to convert nanoseconds to microseconds. Oh, this is microseconds, and then this is the nanoseconds. Okay, divide the number of nanoseconds by 1,000. Nanoseconds by 1,000. Zig the bun. Oh, haha, nah. These guys are far. These guys are far now. They've gone far. Okay, so I can see we have okay, still running. Let's see. Now let me create a summary of the consolidation. Now let's look at the dashboard. So far we have my posts, and okay, this is the dashboard. This is a current dashboard. Now where is the regular user dashboard? Okay, yeah, this is the regular user dashboard, and then this is the admin dashboard. Wow. All right, I'm impressed, man. I'm impressed. So let's go and log in as a regular user. Okay, let's log in as a regular user. Yeah, somebody who was asking what's the difference between the normal regular user and the admin user. This is it, bro. We still have create post, and oh god, login as a regular user. The dashboard has two things, two cards, all pointing to create post endpoint. Create post. Could we just use one and make the cards occupy the rest of the spaces? Okay, let's see. Anthropic, they are saying coding will be replaced by AI agents, and some company buying Bun or hiring now more developers for Bun. Of course, this is something called monopoly, trying to control the market. You get it? So that the people that are even currently like learning how to code, they can, you know, even companies, like it's just a monopoly thing. Okay, you just fear monger people into believing that AI is going to replace jobs, but you're paying millions for other developers though. You understand? So that is contradicting yourself. But at the end of the day, that was a good move if you think about it. The developers that are right now creating that are using Bun, creating Bun, they're insane. Crack developers, bro. And they're using Zig. I really doubt if there's so many people using Zig. Red Eye developers was good. Red Eye developers is wild. Was good, bro. Yeah, so now we have create posts and my posts. Okay, I like that. I like also what I'm seeing. Why does it just take? Why does it start like this? Okay, let's go to dashboard. All right, that's cool. So now we have all right. Wait a minute. Wait, what did I just see? When we click on this, it should filter to publish posts, and we don't have any published posts because then you're only seeing for your current user. So that's interesting. Now what's happening here, if we can go to the regular user's dashboard, let's go to the regular user's dashboard. Where is it at? Regular user's dashboard. my post. We go here. Now what's happening here? Let's look at how it's filtering. So this is the interface. All right, and then okay, pageable response. Okay, so we are first checking if we have the token, and if we don't have the token, go ahead and boom, just kick us out, or else. How do I start learning Spring Boot, bro? Hey brother, Rahul, what's good, man? How you doing? What's up, man? How you doing, my boy? Red Eye Developers. How do you start learning Spring Boot? I don't know what to say. I really don't know what to say, bro. Because I thought I gave you guys the roadmap. Still, C is fastest. Any language just coming everywhere. Still can beat C. Yeah, because C is the mother language. No. Hey boys, if y'all want to join the Discord, the link is up there. The link for the Discord server. Okay, so we have that. How is it filtering? Okay, pageable. That's okay. How about how is it filtering the posts? Okay. That is cool. Method delete. Okay, you can also delete your stuff. Let's refresh this. Now since we don't have any posts, we can just create posts. Create posts shouldn't be admin. Let's go back to our Spring Boot. I think we have a problem with the way we made the create post. This is the create post endpoint. Create post endpoint shouldn't be admin. It should be the logged in user should be able to create a post, right? So let's go to post service. There you see current user should be able. Okay, set. Yeah, so the endpoint shouldn't be the admin, right? Because let's go back to anti-gravity. Okay, so the concept is, what are you guys saying? Hey brother, how you doing, man? The concept is logged in user, regardless of the role, should be able to create posts. Create posts. Update should be able to create, update, and delete, right? But publish is limited to only admin for now. So that means the create post, the create dashboard, that means the regular user dashboard should mainly point towards the slash create towards the regular user dashboard crowd. Alright, what did I just drop? Oh no. Rust and Zig are pretty fast, as OpenAI uses Rust also in their stack. Okay, because this is our post endpoint, right? Let's drop this here. I don't know if that hype of Rust is true, bro, because I think Rust is the reason why there was some problem with Cloudflare. Even if it's not the Rust problem, but yeah, I don't know, bro. I just don't like the hype and all that. Perfect, I understand now. Based on your backend code, I can see regular users can create, update, and delete their own posts. Only admins can publish posts. Publish post method as check admin only. The backend already enforces ownership checks with check ownership, whatever. Let me update the user dashboard to remove publish for regular users and make sure everything points to the correct crowd. Good. Good. Yes, 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 yes. Bro, we don't need front-end developers. From now, if you're a front-end developer, you should be shaking in your boots, bro. Oh my god. I wouldn't want to be a front-end developer. Boys, let's just face facts. I wouldn't want to be any front-end developer in this day and age, given what AI can do. I don't care what nobody says. It's AI hype, AI bubble will bust, all that. Nobody cares, bro. Okay? Nobody really cares. If you're doing front-end and you're comfortably just sitting down doing front-end, honestly, you wake up and just do front-end. You don't deserve to have a job to start with, dog. Like, you should be jobless, bro. Alright, let's go ahead and accept and let's see. Meanwhile, do front end. What's your favorite Java? Yeah, Java is pretty fast. Yeah, Java is my favorite. Wait, what is somebody's trying to? What are you trying to indicate in the comments? I'm a back-end developer. I don't need to worry about front end. Specifically, I'm a Spring Boot developer. So think about it. Bro, why is this still pointing? Why is this create post still pointing to admin? What's really going on? Did AI really do anything in the crowd operations? I feel like, why do I feel like my post within the, okay, my post, I think it's like this. My post page within the dashboard is clogged up, and so that's it. Clean it up and refactor it. And also, I am not seeing any routes. Not Siri, bro. Not you. Calm down. Goddamn. Raul, bro, why you keep spamming? Hey, I'm not seeing any routes pointing to the crate. To the crate, to the regular user, the user crowd. Can you fix that? I think that's it. That is it, bro. You should refactor it, bro, because that code looks messy. You're not just attractive, you're the kind of attractive that my boy, what do you want from me, bro? Why are you weird, man? Like, why do you, oh god, why are you weirdo? Oh my god. What's happening to you, brother? Calm down, relax, okay? Calm the hell down. So what's going on here? Components, perfectly or complete refactor downloads. Here's what I did. Okay, you've refactored that, bro. How the hell are you refactoring with 1 million things in here? I can still see 1 million things within this. Just for this, bro. Dashboard / my posts. Create your first post. They shouldn't take me to the admin. If I am a regular user, I should be able to create that. So let's just go back and see what's going on here. Hmm. Oh boy, is stupid. This nigga is stupid, I swear. This nigga is so stupid, bro. Okay, bro. This dashboard, this entire dashboard, I cannot see. Let's change this cloud sonnet. This is literally stupid, bro. The sonnet is stupid. Let's go with what? I think you said opus. Yeah, let's go with opus. Um, go through the dashboard and refactor it thoroughly, as well as allowing for CRUD operations according to my SpringBoot. Only admins can do everything, but regular users can only create posts, update, and publish. Needs an admin. Okay, okay, that's clean. That's clean. Brain rot. Who's creating brain rot, man? For me, I'm not worried about brain rot or whatever. My backend is running. I don't care about front end. I don't. Genuinely don't care. Like, I don't care, brother. I don't care. When it comes to back front end, I don't care. I'll use AI anytime. For real. For real, bro. Then let's run the brain. Oh man, you funny as hell, bro. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. Create, yes, 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 that's what I'm talking about. Refactoring that. So what next? Why is it showing how many tokens we use, bro? Oh, for the reasoning models? Okay. Hmm. Mm-hmm. Yes, this is what I'm talking about. Mm-hmm. You know what's funny? It's more like these AI guys, they genuinely just decide to ignore everybody else. Like when you, especially when you're coding with like non-reasoning models, they nerf it too much that it don't even provide you any value. Matching your permissions, right? We have create, update, on post, delete, and publish, manage all. Okay, cool. So let's go now and see how it's handling that. Okay, refresh this. Okay, note your post will be saved as drafts, and admin will review and publish approved posts. Yes. So the next thing we need to do is that if a user, let's say create, oh, your post will be saved as drafts, and admin will review the. Yo, this application is fire. AI owning order brain. be like how to drink water. Gemini 3 is good in UI, but Opus is good like in technical things like backend and all API and stuff. Okay, okay. Bro, I'm happy as hell, bro. Why do you have drafts here? I think we should also be able to show our total posts, right? Shouldn't we be able to see our total posts? Right? Okay. Again, a user. Wait, I think we did not do that. I think we did not do that, right? Yeah, a user should be able to see their total posts. Correct. A user should be able to see their total posts, while admins should see all users logged in, all total users, and also total posts, both drafts and published, right? I think that is the stuff. Now let me pass in my backend endpoints and the service so that we can see. Let's go to our service. Somebody is saying my AI is going to own them. What do you mean by that? AI cannot own you, bro. You can own AI. Okay, let's see. Regular users to see their total. I'll update both dashboards to show appropriate stats users. See their own totals. Admins see all users. Stats plus total users. Good. Yes. Hey, yes. I think the last thing we're gonna do, I want you to connect my C++ code to your database, please. Let me ban this guy, bro. Like, I'm so tired of this nigga. I'm gonna ban you, bro. I'm so tired of your BS. Oh God, you funny, man. You funny, bro. You deserve all the happiness in the world. Oh my God. Oh, okay. Right, we chilling. Okay, AI is handling 90% of what we're doing. So yeah, front end, yeah, here come. For admin to user stats, what you need to add a simple endpoint to your backend. Okay, I need to add this get slash API slash user slash count, and then you can get resource entity, get user count, and then long count is equal to the repository count. If that endpoint doesn't exist yet, users can show 0 but won't cause any errors. The test of the stats will. Okay, the rest of the stats will work. So what I need to do in my backend, right? I need to create that in the service, right, to get the total users, total number of users, right? So let's go and see what we have for the users. Let's go to the user service, send what we have as our user service to empty gravity, and then we can go ahead and grab our controller, user controller, and send this. I think we already have the one for total users, but let's see how it goes. I see your backend endpoint. Let me update the admin to use the correct all slash users endpoint for the current user counter. Fix the nav bar to use API slash me. Yes. All slash me. Bro, I'm the greatest front end developer to ever exist. If you doubt it, you're a hater. I have AI, so I'm the greatest. I feel like I can build Facebook today and it will be done by tomorrow. I think the MVP might take me a week. Not the MVP, actually the entire application. Not even a week, I think 5 days. Alright, let's see. Your backend endpoints are now properly integrated. Current user using a navbar, get all users pageable, use photo, this and that and that and that and that and accept, and that's it. Alright, let's go back. Bro, why are you mad that I'm a great developer, dog? Why are you mad, nigga? Why are you mad, nigga? Why are you mad? Let's log it as an admin. Okay, this admin. Okay. Okay, so we got 2 total users. Yay, yay, yay. Hey. Man, I'm the greatest developer to ever walk this planet. Bonus. This is good, bro. Dopamine. This is dopamine, bro. If you guys don't get this, bro, this is dopamine. Alright, let's log out. Oh my god, let's try to log in as another user, regular user, right? So this will show public post. Change login form to. Oh yeah. Speaking of that, I need to go to the login form. That's me, bro. Jesus. Not just the login form, even the sign up form. It has that stupid shit. I need to fix this. Let me go. Oh my god. FilthiBlog. Bro, can you guys see how I'm building this application, bro? Dopamine plus. Yeah. Okay. This is unlimited code completions. Jesus Christ. A man with AI is close to a deity. I think I'm a deity, bro. I don't care what you guys say, bro. I'm a deity right now. I'm not blasphemous, but yeah, whatever, bro. FilthiBlog, good. Let's go. This is some crazy dopamine rush. Yes, login. Now let's try to log in as a weirdo. FilthiBlog. Yeah, that's our application. Okay, whatever. Let's look at goddamn, how can I want to log in as another user, because that user won't exist, so we shall have an error. So let me try to log in with this user. We're gonna find an error. Okay, let's just add in stupid email. It doesn't exist, I know. Emmanuel@gmail.com. It's not gonna accept. We're gonna get an error. User with that email doesn't exist. That's correct. So what I'm gonna do, let's go ahead and just add any random user. Let me just add this user, and I don't think, okay, let's use the same email. Login doesn't exist. That's correct. So we gotta sign up, and we can just say Emma2, right? Because we already have Emma. Obviously, I don't think the username is a problem. We can have similar username, but let's keep this like this, and we can just have that. Okay, create an account. Duplicate key violates the constant constraint, I think, because we have the same username. Username should be unique. Okay, create this. Good. So we have I think it should be never. I don't want to save that. So we have now, boom. Note, your post will be saved as drafts. An admin will review and publish approved post. Your exception in front end. Very big front end there. All right, let me try to create a new post. Okay, coding goat. Emmanuel, the goat of front end. Front end, as long as I have AI with me, right? It's like that. Save as draft, post saved as draft, and then there you go. We have the draft. We have the draft. Okay, so what's gonna happen? Let's now go and let's go ahead and log in as, let's go back to the dashboard and see. Okay, we can view our drafts. Okay, we can okay, let's see what can we do here. So the admin will be the only one to publish our posts. So let's go and log out. Then let's log in as an admin. Game of Filthy. Unknown exception occupied. Please try later. You dumbass nigga. Yes, you see we have total users 3. Good. Drafts. Why is it admin drafts? No, that's an issue. We need to be able to grab not the admin drafts. Okay, for drafts, the admin dashboard should pick all drafts, including the admins. Okay, that's it. Let's go. The user, okay. Looking at your backend. So here what you need to add, we need to add get all drafts. Now, oh, what? Wait, what's going on here? This is get all drafts, and then we have drafts all. Once you add that endpoint, I'll update it to use it, or if you want, I can update the front end now to use drafts all. No, I think this AI has an issue. Let's go and open this. I think we have it here in the post controller. I think we already have it. I guess we already have it. You gave wrong prompt? Are you sure? Looking at the backend code. Returns API / drafts endpoint filters by current user. This returns only the current user draft, not all drafts. You need to add a new method for admins to see all drafts. Add this to your post. Okay, so this will we check if this is for admins only, then it should filter status created that, and then post draft pageable, and then we can get that. Okay, and then we need to add this to the controller. All right, drafts / all. What did you say, bro? What did you say? We need to go ahead and create that. Let me look at we have drafts. Where is it at? Okay, this is get post drafts. Now this is to get all drafts. So we need to first create that endpoint. Let me close everything. Open this and open this. So I need to just create that for the drafts. This is gonna be a get mapping. So we're gonna have /drafts /all, and this is only going to be limited to the admins. Then we can have public. We're gonna return page. We can have post response detail. Then here we're gonna have get all drafts. I think that is it. Get all drafts, and by default we're just going to have this entire thing. Copy, and we're gonna drop it here. Then we're just gonna return post service dot get all drafts. get all drafts, and then we just pass in pageable. We need to go and create get all drafts inside this post service. Okay, so here we're going to get transactional, should be read only as well, and then public, we can have the page, and then we're going to take in post response detail. So we're getting the drafts, all drafts, and then pageable as pageable. Then we make sure the current user should be admins, but here we're just going to say check admins only, and then finally we can return the post response, post repository dot find. Now let's go back here and get what we are getting. Dot find by status, order by created at descending order, then we just get that. Okay, it's almost like what we have here, right? Okay, this is what we want to get. Okay, dot this, and then we just need to pass in the status, which is post dot draft, right? So post status dot draft, and then the current, we don't have to pass in the current user, we just pass in pageable as is. Then we say this, this we have to map this. We map this, then we get the post mapper, and we map this to the response detail, and that's gonna do it. So I think that's it. What else do we need? Okay, the only check here is we make sure it's for admins. So yeah, that is it. And here we have it like this. Copy, we have that as poster. Is it okay now? Okay, let's see. The backend looks good. Now let me update the admin draft to use the API post draft / endpoint. Okay. Okay. Done. I've updated both the admin dashboard and draft to use your endpoint. So admin dashboard now features total draft count from API, shows all drafts from all users, now features all drafts from admin drafts page, returns current users draft only for regular users. Oh, returns all from the admins, returns all published posts. Okay, now let's see what happens. Let's go back. This is some crazy dopamine rush. Yep. Oh, for some reason, because we don't have any draft, right? We don't have any draft. Okay, we go back to this. Let's go back to, let's log out, and then let's go to, let's log in as a regular user. God, let's say it's Emmanuel at gmail.com. User with that email doesn't exist, so we need to create that. Never. So let's create this with Emma3, then Emma3 at gmail.com. Then we can just, okay, let's go ahead and create that. Good. Never. Okay, let's try to create a post, guys. New post, save it as drafts. Let's go and log out, and then log in as the admin. Let's see what the admin is going to get. See that? Admin is not fetching that. Oh, I need to. Whoa. Thank you, my dog. Thank you. We made some changes. It's probably yeah. You sure, you're right. That's why I live stream, bro, for moments like this. So now if we refresh this. Who's like me? Who is like me? Alright, thanks, man. Exit. So I think we're good to go now. The dashboard is really like, we locked in with the dashboard, right? So we can review drafts, approve and review. So this shows all the people. An admin. I'm the admin. Can I create this? Okay, I can also create my own post. I don't want to create posts. I want to just see what's going on here. What's this? Okay, this for share. This for delete. This is for update. This is what? This is delete though. I don't think it is now added here, but it's okay. I think we can approve this. Edit. Wait, why should I be able to edit people's drafts though? It doesn't sound good. I think this is published. I can publish this. Are you sure you have to publish this? We're using let's go back to anti-gravity. Okay, go through my entire application currently, and everywhere where you are using prompts, use Sonar Toast instead. I have it installed already. Confirm prompts in the code base and replace them. Found 5 places, so it's just going to use that dialog. Yep, that's what we need. We need a dialog. We don't need no weird stuff. I think, would you like no, don't overwrite. Wait, how do I add a prompt here? How do I add? How do I answer that? How do I answer AI here? Okay, it's fine. It's okay. It's okay. Good. Now let me update all the fields with the confirm dialog component instead of browser. Okay. Bro, we've coded like crazy. Bro. This is the AI error, dog. This code would have literally taken you years to build this. Like what we've built today. God, we've built the entire application, by the way, boys. We've built the entire application, if you guys don't know. Should I give you a shocker? Give me a shocker, bro. I'm waiting. Bro. Your shocker is taking forever, dog. Let me update all the fields. Okay, that's okay. Give me a fucking shocker, dog. I'm waiting for you, goddamn. Okay. Wait, what's your shortcut, bro? Like your shortcut's taking forever. This post of mine is not good. Like I gotta be like this. My neck hurts. I don't know why, because I be like this. I need to be like this. I need to be like this from now. AI is doing its thing. So as AI is doing its thing, let's continue. Let's continue understanding what's going on with the album. Let's see. Today we're gonna how do I call it? Not today though. Tomorrow we're gonna host the entire application, so we can leave hosting for tomorrow. We can host the backend, which is Spring Boot, and we also host the front end. Anyway, make full project, then the neck is gonna hurt, man. Anyone who makes a full project, wait, I don't know, how can I understand that? Your statement is half complete, man. Accept all. Okay, let's register this. Bam, 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 bam. I think we can publish this, right? Are you sure you want to publish this post? It will be visible to everyone. Yes. Yes. Open localhost 3000 explore with browser control and this any bugs is fine. Those posts are published. Guys, coding goat. Yes. Let's go to the dashboard. Wait, this is showing the admin. Okay, because I'm the admin, right? So now we have total 8 published posts and we have currently 4 users. You see, boys, I'm going to be monitoring how many of you guys are going to log into my application. You feel me, bruh? You feel me? Okay, it's a good feature. Open localhost 300, explore with browser control, and list any bugs you find. Wait. Localhost what? 300? Yes, I'm already in localhost 3000. Got it. Explore with browser control. What do you mean by browser control? Let's now log out and then we log in as a regular user. Which regular user did we create a minute ago? I feel like we created some other regular user, right? Oh, I should tell that to AI. Okay, fine, no problem. Let's first see what we just added right now. I think we used Emmanuel at gmail.com. Just wait, just give me a second, okay? I want to see if I can wait. That email doesn't exist. Just give me a second, brother. Email 2, I think, like this. Okay, I think it should be email 3 if I'm not mistaken. Yes, email 3. Just give me a second. Save it. Wait, why don't we have this? No, but why are we not seeing its total drafts and stuff? I mean total posts. Wait, can you guys go back in the video? Can I see? Like, let me see. I did it somewhere. Can you guys go back in the stream? I did it somewhere here. Wait, guys, go back in the stream real quick, bro. Help me out. Okay, this is it. This is the one we posted. Oh, this was the one. This I am vulture thing. So okay, this was the one. This was this user. Bro, look at the latest post. We literally have multi users. Like it's almost like we have all these users and we can see their stuff. Can I get Spring Boot tutorial video? I have a note there. I want to switch to Spring. You want me to teach you? You want me to teach you, bro? Wait. I am thrilled. I'm thrilled. So we have coding. We have coding code and Gamma Filthy. Well, Gamma Filthy is the admin. So currently we have coding code. You're beginning Java. That's crazy. Just give me a second. There's something I'm trying to solve here. Okay. All right. Let's look at. Oh yeah. So I think it's Emo3. But why doesn't it show the total number of posts Emo3 has? What about coding goat? I mean vulture. So let's go and log in as that vulture dude. I am vulture. Okay. Let's log in as that I am vulture. Okay. Why do we have total posts as 0? Right? Let's go and ask. Currently the admin dashboard shows everything correctly, but the other regular users can't see their posts in the dashboard. It's showing 0. It's showing 0. I'm not using Casa. I'm not using Casa, brother. I'm not using Casa. I'm using anti-gravity, man. I'm using anti-gravity. What's happening with the stats? I see the issue. The dashboard is using /drafts, which returns users drafts, but the response might be empty if they have no drafts. Let me check your backend. Filters by the current user, so it should work. Let me add the. Yeah, I think my backend is having it. Let me go to Spring Boot. I can show you guys just right now what's happening. So we have currently, if let's go to the drafts. So this gets all the gets the drafts for the user, and then this one gets all the drafts specifically only for the admin. Hey Clove, what have you learned yet in Java? Okay, thank you, my brother. Help him out. Open localhost, explore with browser control, and list any bugs you find. Give this prompt after you're done. Okay, no problem. Hashing. Oh, you learned only hashing and stuff. Okay, let's see. So I've added logging to help debug. Can you check the browser console when you log in as a regular user? I'll show. Okay, you brother, let me see what you're saying. Let me try to understand, right? Would you like to suggest a backend endpoint to get all posts by current user, or should the dashboard only show drafts? Would you like me to suggest a backend endpoint to get all posts by the current user, or should the dashboard only show the drafts? I think we have that endpoint. Right? Now here's the thing. Let me first get the endpoint that you talked about earlier. Let's go to anti-gravity. I need to also give it context of how our service is looking like so that it can understand briefly what we're doing. All right. I think that's okay. Let's send this and see. This is how our endpoint is looking like. Looking at the backend, I see the returns. Returns only the current user's draft filtered by the user. Okay. So you don't have an endpoint to get posts by the current user, both drafts and published. You need to add one, and yeah. So this is how we're gonna do it. Create user by order, create user, current user, pageable. All right, that's what you need to get. Okay, get my posts, and that's it. We need to make sure it's a current user. So let's just jump to ultimate real quick. and we create get my posts endpoint, which is going to be a transactional by default, and we make sure it's read only true. Then there we can say public page. Since we need to get it as a page, we need to get this as a post response and DTO. Then we say get my posts, should we return pageable? I think we should return pageable. Then we make sure we have the current user, and how we're looking for the current user, just like how we're doing it here. We return repository. Go ahead and return post repository dot find by created at, just like what we did here. Let's just grab this. We need to add this to the repository. That's correct. All right, let's go back to the repository, post repository. We need to add this. Okay, so this is created user order by created at. Oh, I think we already have it, right? Oh, this one takes in the status just, whereas this one takes in the user and pageable. Okay, this takes in user order by, okay, fine. This is the status, this is for the user. That's correct. So let's go back to our Spring Boot service and to make sure we just click this get by this user. Then finally we just pass in what we have here, which is the user as current user. Then we just pass in the pageable. All right, that's what we're gonna do. The same thing, right? The current user and then pageable. Then we just return it in response. Okay, it's getting a little hot in here. Let me just turn on my phone. Knowledge is now flowing, bro. Knowledge is flowing in blood. So here we're going to pass in the current user and we're going to pass in pageable. Then we'll make sure we return, we map this, and we say post, not that post mapper is going to map to response DTO, and we just need to get my posts and go back here, controller, then we create get my posts. So we're gonna have close to actually get posts. Let's go to get all posts so they can just be together, and we can just create something like this, exact copy, paste it here. We just change this only to this. My bad. We're just gonna change this to get my posts. Then we can have this as get my posts. Now what is this? Dot get my posts. Okay, pageable. Then we can just restart this entire thing, and we can restart it again. Cool. Wow. Oh god, what a great day, bro. What a great day. Oh, something has failed. Ambiguous mapping. What is ambiguous here? What's ambiguous here? Get my posts. It gets the current user, and then we are adding it here in the controller. How is it ambiguous? I don't know. See. Okay, copy. This is what we have, but we got ambiguous ambiguous user or whatever. I don't know. Press that. And then we need to grab, okay, this error message. The error is clear. I see the error. You forgot to add the path to my annotation. Yeah, for sure. It's supposed to be my posts. Okay, so instead of saying this, we need to return my post. I forgot it, man. It's crazy. Slash my posts. Okay, I didn't see it coming. Okay. Now I did and is running. My posts. Okay. Bro, dealing with this AI is just insane. Okay. So done. The dashboard now correctly fetches drafts from their correct post counts. Okay. Let's go back and create. Let's see. Fetch this, and we should be able to get our posts. Yes. Yes. So now let's log out, and this is Emma guy. Let's log in as the admin. Sign in as the admin. Let's go. Okay, boom. All right, so as you can see, we have the admin dashboard working. We can see published live posts. These are all published posts. We can see who published it, the author, the date it was published, the actions, you know. We can see, we can edit, we can delete. Oh my god, this is wonderful, man. This is super wonderful. I can't lie to y'all. And we have all the users that okay, so Game of Filthy. Okay, let's see that post. Oh, okay, that's the blog post they uploaded, huh? Okay, you see, my boys, this is super clean. Stop playing with me like that. Okay, FilthiBlog is done. What else? I think this should be okay, bro. The next thing we shall just upload will only be wait, why does okay, this only shows your own current post? No. Yeah, this is public. It shows all published posts, which is cool. Let's go to dashboard, and let's try to log out and log in as let's try to log in as what? As a regular user. Okay, so let's try to create a post as a regular user. Hey guys, I am regular. Save as draft. Okay, so status is draft. Clean UI. The status is draft. Okay, let's now go to dashboard. We have one draft and the total post is 1. Okay, now let's log out, and then we go and log in as an admin. Enter. Okay, so now we have total post 9. We have drafts as 1, and we can even view whose draft it is, right? This it should show created, updated, and we should see whose draft it is, right? Yeah, somehow we need to add whose draft it is, right? Okay, in the admin dashboard, when when we click on all the drafts, we should also see the author name or author name. Or could be email, I think, right? Any of the two. I think email is better. Author just next to just to see whose post we want to publish. Alright, I think that should do it. That's gonna be the end. I'll add a column. Okay, that's just the last column we're adding, and that should do it. Yep. So tomorrow we're going to be adding the comment section, and yeah, that's gonna do it. After the comments, then we can now deal with the rest, right? Drafts now show admins. Let's just refresh this. Yep. So we have this, the author, and yeah, they created that timestamp. So okay, this was created by this. That's good. Go back and let's try to go and log in as another regular user, which is Emo3. Then we can create its Emo3's draft. We have total posts, and let's also say Emo3 draft. Emo3 draft loading. Save as draft. Okay, now let's log out and let's go and log in as the admin. Go ahead and now we have total drafts 2, we have total posts as 10, and total users as 4. That's clean. We can get okay, that's cool. So Emo3 has this. Okay, we can publish this. But now this Emo1 here is very stubborn. Let's not publish it. We can delete it. Good. Alright, so we can review drafts. We can create posts if we want to. We can also publish posts, manage live posts. We can even manage the posts that are live. We can even delete them. Wow. God, this is insane. I think that should do it, boys. I think that should do it, man. AI has done a very great work helping us. So yeah, I'm just gonna end this for today and call it a day, bro. Feel me? I'm just gonna go ahead and add this entire thing. Let's just say git add, and we can just add a regular prompt. We can generate with AI all the changes that we did. We added a feature, implemented user dashboard with post management, and enhanced admin dashboard with user stats, and I think that should do it. So I'm just gonna commit and push. Okay, so that should do it with today's application. Tomorrow we shall do the what? What am I forgetting? Let me go and take down this. Let's just say Docker. I think Docker PS. Oh, it took it down also with it. That's cool. So tomorrow we shall just add only the comment section and call it a day. Right? Then we can go live tomorrow. Anti-gravity is crazy, bro. I'm impressed. Let's go and look at did we make changes? Yeah, we made changes in the backend, so let's go and push it as well. Okay, we made a couple of changes in the backend. Git status, we haven't added them, so git add, git commit. But the feature that we added, users, no added, draft admin drafts, all drafts admin endpoint, and added all drafts admin endpoint, and I think that's all we added, right? User endpoints, and what else? And get all drafts admin endpoint, and yeah, I think that's all I added, right? All drafts endpoint, all drafts admin endpoint, and the regular user, and regular user plus endpoint. Users all post endpoint, all post endpoint. Okay, that is it, and we can just git push. Good. I think that should do it now, my boys. Let's just open GitHub. Let's see what's happening. Okay, so I think we're now good to go. We have today's yellow contribution on 4th December. So that should do it, my boys. I think I'm gonna go ahead and end the stream now. See how long we've been streaming for. 3 hours, almost 4 hours, bro. Woo. See you guys tomorrow, bro. I'm tired. I'm super tired. I have a school tomorrow, man. I gotta go. Bye, guys. Let's get it. Tomorrow we're gonna be doing the comments. We're gonna be adding the comments to the post application. So see you guys tomorrow.